Friday. Hope you guys are doing good today. Hope you guys are ready to roll. It's gonna be a good day, man. It's gonna be a good day, chat. All right. Got the non-farm payroll coming in here today. Should be very, very exciting. Should be good. Should be good. All right. Good morning, Sam is first here today. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, T Toinks. Good morning, Sharif. Good morning, Ewan. Austin's in the building. What up, Scott? That guy TK here bright and early. What's good, gang? How y'all feeling? Everybody good? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Hey, what's up, Donald? Donald's here. Simon's here. Awesome. Good morning, Jeanette. Trade like Jose's in the building. Ghosting me. What up? What up? Forex Frank. Hey, yo. What up, Green? When did this happen? When did this win happen? Oh. Hey, yo. New overlay. Had to bring it out for that NFP Friday today, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I had to bring it out for today. NFP Friday. So everybody doing good? You ready to get this day started? Hey, good morning, Bobby. Blessed Friday, my friend. The win happened yesterday, June 1st. Hey, if you guys can like the stream as you guys settle in here today. If you haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Get yourself comfortable. Take your shoes off. Stay a while. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a really, really good day today here, chat. Another day to be disciplined. Another day to stay on the line of making sure we know what we're doing, making sure we are only going after the highest quality setups as we do every day. And, you know, as long as we do that, we win. As long as we do that, we win. Are you going to trade NFP? Absolutely. That's why we're here today. That is why we are here. We trade every day. Although it's NFP, it's just another day. It's just a Friday. It's just another day with the word day at the end of the word. Okay, overlay looks clean. Thanks, Austin. Dodged a big L last night. Stoked to be here. Awesome, man. Awesome. All right. All right, gang. Let's get the party started here. Let's take a look. Oh, let me get Zoom all set up here. All right. Can't forget about the guys in Zoom, right? $40 more subs to 3K. Let's go. Hey, yo. Hey, at 3K, if we hit it today, we are picking a new mod. So it's Friday. We're creeping on 3K. We got NFP today. We got the new overlay going on. So it's only right that if we do hit 3K today, that we do announce the new mod. So yes, sir. A lot to look forward to today. So let me share my screen. We'll get everything started here. Let me get Zoom all set up. Boom. Let's do this. Hey, by the way, great job in the London session. not last night, but the night before, man. Wow, you guys killed it. Seems like everyone took the same exact play, which is perfect, right? That's unity there. We're all in line. We all know the playbook. We're all trading the playbook, and that's why you guys are all starting to see dubs on the board. Love it. All right, let me just send the Discord link out here. All right. All right, you guys ready? How's the music? Are we good? I'm gonna lower the music a little bit. Oh. All right, Zoom link has been sent out. Let me just turn this off. And all right, cool. We're good to go. How's the music? Should I turn it down a little bit? Let me turn it down a little bit. Okay, perfect. All right, beautiful. All right, gang, let's do it. Let's do a breakdown here and see what we got going on here on the charts today. So it is Friday. It is the 2nd day of June. We have started a new month, and we are on the board already. So we do have non-farm payroll here today, which should be some really big news. It is a red folder. It's one of the biggest news releases that we come across here, and especially for gold and the US dollar. So we're gonna hear a little bit more about that, see what happens at 8 a.m. But let's get into the charts here. So taking a look at the monthly time frame here on gold, right? So what do we notice here, man? We've been rejecting these areas pretty often now at this point, right? This has become a pretty high level of rejection. And if we're looking left, we notice that there's all rejections right here. And these candles have come up. They've rejected once, they've rejected twice, and this is really our third major rejection that we're looking at here on gold. So every single time we reject it, it looks like we've created a resistance and then dropped down, right? Down into here, created a resistance, dropped down, created a resistance. What will we do now, right? What will we do if we take a look left? We notice every time price was in this situation, the next candles were able to drop down pretty nicely. So that's what I'd be expecting out of the next couple months here as we move into Q3 and as we start moving into the second half of the year. So one thing we do know though is we have this resistance right here that has been very strong, and we did close above on this bullish candle here a couple weeks ago, or was that a couple months ago now, 2 months ago. This was April's candle, so we did close above, and then May got off to a really strong start right out the gate, broke the highs here, filled the wick, came up, but ended up closing bearish back below this resistance to the left hand side. So if we're closing back below now, what could we expect price to do? Well, if we break this low, there's a very high chance that we do come down and retest this support down here on the monthly time frame. So that's what we can anticipate. That's what price action has done in the past, and that's what we can go off of. So this is a monthly time frame, right? So if this was a 30-minute time frame, we would have sell stops on the break of the lows here, right? We'd have sell stops on the break of those lows, and that's no different for the monthly candle as well. So again, it looks like we got ourselves a fake out right here after a massive rejection that was followed by these massive rejections. Now it looks like this candle has made a low. It's came up, it's created a top wick, it's tapped into this resistance level, the range that it is left, right? Because if we look left, this was a range. This right here is a range. And now what's happening is you're breaking back into a new range. And now that we're breaking back into this new range, this becomes the new range. So possibly we may be able to come back on down to 1820 here, right, to retest that support. So we've left this range, we've entered this range. If we break these lows, very high chance we fill this wick and continue down into that support zone down there. So now that's gonna take some time, right? That's gonna take some time. This is a monthly candle here, so I would expect the first week or maybe even 2 weeks of the monthly candle to actually move bullish, so that way it can create a top wick. Because as long as this top wick doesn't break the high of this top wick, then this monthly candle can still break the lows and continue down. And that is a big gap right here. So we can see a push up. We have NFP today. Price can move up, price can move down. We don't know that. If we knew that, we would be trillionaires at this point. So it's our job to take advantage of what we do know. And what we do know is candlesticks, price action, zones, ranges, and so on and so forth. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So one thing I could say is I noticed about the weekly time frame is we've closed below this support. Right, you had a support level right here, we closed below. You have a range right here on the weekly time frame that you're chopping around in, lots of rejections to the upside, and we've broken the low, right? We've also broken the low of the weekly candle right here, and now we've came up. Now one thing I could say is that this candle is pushing it now, right? It's almost going to break the previous weekly high, and almost, right? It has not broken the weekly candle high yet, but it is playing with it, right? It's playing with it. So if this weekly high breaks, there's a very high chance that this candle will come up into this range and start to try and retest some of these resistance levels up here to the left. So we can see the weekly candle do that, because at the end of the day, this is the monthly high that we are talking about on the other time frame. So price can come all the way up to those highs and never break it and still continue down to move in direction with the monthly, right? So we can have candles come all the way up just like this for the next week or two, right? And as long as it doesn't break the highs, then we can still see the next couple weekly candles come down, right? This is price action at its finest. This is exactly what we would, this is what the monthly would look like based off of the weekly time frame. So is that a possibility? Absolutely. Absolutely is a possibility, especially if this candle closes bullish today above this support. Remember what I said about ranges, right? If we're breaking back now, we left the range with this closure, but now if we break back into the range, this is the new range here. And if we're breaking back into the range, there's a high chance that we can tap back into that resistance there. So yeah, so we'll take a look at that when it comes, but as of right now, we have not broken the weekly highs yet. So we're still good on the weekly highs in terms of switching direction, but let's go down to the daily time frame, right? So coming up to the daily time frame, what do we have here? What do we notice? We notice very simple that we are approaching this range again. You guys remember this range, you're all familiar with it if you've been here for quite some time. This rejection range right here, right? We came down, we made our way through it, but we've been struggling on the way back up to it. Now one thing we could see here is this is a very strong daily zone here. So what will this candle do today? Right? What will this daily candle be able to do? Will it be able to push up, or will it reject like the rest of them? See all these candles here? Will it reject? See all the rejections and the wicks in these areas all through here? So that's a big question today. That's a big question that we have today, and I think the news will give us a very, very good direction on what's going to happen in this area right here today. Because this daily candle could potentially flip bearish and continue down, rejecting these zones. So this is a big zone that we're in, and I think NFP today is really going to give us some direction and some understanding on how we can get into the market and be pretty safe, right? Because if we do start breaking these highs, all these highs here, man, there's a very high chance we'll continue up. Clean traffic to the left hand side. Price should be able to push up into these zones, which is like what, 2015, 2010 here today. So yeah, let's see what happens with that. Let's scale down, because if we're bullish on the day, so we know we're bullish on the day. Looks like we've broken the high, or almost broke the high here. Now, if this was a 30-minute time frame, we're looking at a resistance here. We're looking at a support here, right? Pretty simple. We never closed above that resistance yet, so that should tell us something about this daily time frame as we tread water in this rough area here, right? So yeah, daily candle could go either way, but the cool part about how we trade and what we do is we will always find out, and we will always see what the daily is going to do. It'll reveal it to us on these lower time frames. So let's take a look at the 4 hour here, right? So the 4 hour time frame, you have a support. Let's take a look at the resistance here. Looks like you have a resistance, and this is the range that we're currently in on the 4 hour time frame, right? Looking left, it gets a bit choppy above here. There's a couple different resistances. There's a wick to fill. Let's see the range here. That is a 50 pip range. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at what this wick represents. Let's see the details on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we have more resistance. So we have to push this up a little bit. We got to push this up, and if you notice, we have to adjust this support as well. And now we have price trapped. Now price is surrounded. And we have a range, right? And this range is very choppy. It's a consolidation range. Looking left below here is super clean traffic, right? You got a very, very clean range to trade in here today. This right here is about 60 pips, and then coming down into these levels is like over 100 pips here. So let's see what the 30 minutes looking like as well. 30 minute, you have another support right here. You got to adjust that resistance a little bit if we're going to take this off the 30. Looks a little bit cleaner off the 1 hour. So, but yeah, let's see. Looking left. Oh man, buys get a bit choppy here, huh? Buys get a bit choppy. Let's see what we got. So we could say we have this clean range right here. I mean, that's, I think, looks like a 25, 20 pip. Yeah, 20 pip range here. 20 to 30 pip range. So it's definitely a tradable range, something that we could take advantage of. And that's probably where I would look to target, because if we look at the daily time frame, right? Going back to the daily, where could we expect price to go? If we do break these highs, we could expect price to at least come up to, I would say, 1990, 1992 here. Let's mark that off, and let's see what that looks like based off the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 30 minute. Yeah, so if we're taking buys today, the target is probably going to be way up here, right, for the daily target. But we notice that we have a few minor resistances along the way, which can make the buys a bit tough, right? You have all these resistances here. And the only thing we could do is if we do close above, breaking the daily candle highs, then what we could do is we can decide to move stops to break even in these areas. You know, close partials if you would like to, and you know, continue holding your trade up through these levels here. But it does get a little bit choppy, so probably this 20 pip range will be a good point to you know, make our trades risk free here today on the buys. But we'll see if we even get that closure. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna look to take buys above this 1983 level here. Let's go back. Or what is this? Let me just see what this is. Yeah, I'll take my buys above here. Buys above here, sells below 1974 here. And yeah, we're gonna need range 2 sells, but this would be a range 2. So if we do get a closure now below here, then it looks pretty clean to continue down. I think we had a fake out here earlier. Yeah, we had a little fake out there. And yeah, we should be pretty clean to come down. Buys are a bit sketchy. Not a lot of room, a lot more room for sells, and I could totally see if we do break this daily low, we should continue down. We should continue down. We got clean traffic to the left hand side. There was a few times right in this situation. See this daily candle came down. This one is as well came down. So, you know, we're bullish, but I am open for sells too when the lows break here. So yeah, that's gonna be the morning here for gold. So what I'm gonna do is, honestly, I can't do that, man. I think this is gonna be the wave here. Yeah, so the 26 pip range. We'll see what happens, right? If this happens maybe around NY open, then I may look to take buys. It all depends on the time in which we get closures, but if it's gonna happen around NY open, I may look to take buys here. But so we'll keep it there for now, and just adjust it as we move forward. So, and this is gonna be probably the initial targets. Probably go break even at this point and see if we can get up there with the NY open before NFP here today. So yeah, so that's going to be the day here. So buys above 1980, 650. They're pretty clean. You got a nice 25 pip range. We are bullish on the day, so that would make sense. And sells will be below the supports down here, which would be breaking the daily lows as well. And that will be, if we get it off the 1 hour, we can probably have sells below here. But if we do take it off the 30-minute, then it looks like we're gonna have to make the adjustment. So we'll keep it on the 1 hour for now. We'll hang tight on the 1 hour. We'll see what happens with this 30-minute close, and yeah, be good to go. So buys above 1981 or 1986.50. Sells are gonna be below 1976 here today. And yeah, it's gonna be the day. And now we wait. Yep, initial target will be right here at this previous resistance, and that is about 58, 55, 50, 55, 60 pips there. So perfect. So that's gonna be it. If we need to make adjustments, we will. But as of right now, that is the day. That's what the day is gonna look like. Again, we'll keep this zone open for potential buys at NY open, but other than that, we'll probably look to take buys above 82. But we'll adjust it as we go. For now, we'll keep it right where it's at. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let's take a look at pound yen, and then we will settle down here and chit chat. All right, so GBP JPY, let's get rid of all this. Let's go to the monthly time frame just so we understand where we're at. So wow, look at this monthly candle already on the move, huh? So yeah, monthly's pretty clean. You got clean moves, man, up to at least 78 here, if not 81. So monthly should be able to push. Once we break these highs, you should see a push up into the 67, 68 zone, and then we may stutter around there. But as of right now, monthly is bullish. We did close above this resistance, although we closed with no top wick. The next candle was able to recover that, closed very nicely, and now this candle, it hasn't broken the high yet. It hasn't really made the steepest bottom wick either. So yeah, I may expect a steeper bottom wick on that monthly time frame. So we gotta watch out for that. But pretty bullish based off the monthly. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So the weekly, we know we have a resistance. We understand we have a support. We understand we have a resistance here. We did close above that resistance. So man, last week was a really nice weekly candle. If we're looking left, we notice that there is a resistance right there on the weekly as well. Let's take a look. We did close above that. So yeah, this candle now should have no issues coming into 1975, 1976 here, based off of that. And that could happen today, because today is the last day of the weekly time frame or the weekly candle. So we may be able to see that today on pound yen. But coming on to the daily time frame, we created a support here. We did have a resistance here, and this was the range that we were in based off the daily time frame. And what happened is we've created a support now. We've broken the daily highs, which is really good. Where can we target though, right? Where's the target for the day? We got to look left. We got to see what's going on. We got to see where we're at. We noticed that there's a resistance right here. So some of you guys are wondering, I seen someone in the Discord, how do I know where to hold runners to? How do I know, how to place take profits? Well, this is how you do it, my friends. You look left on the charts and you find out what range am I in and where is the top of it, especially if you're looking for buys, right? So we could say that 1974 660 can get tapped today, and that is about 70 pips away. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, how do we find move? How do we find the move? How do we find our positions here today? Well, we know we have a support, pretty strong support right here, a resistance right here. It's very choppy, right? Very, very choppy on the 4-hour time frame. 1 hour comes, you have to adjust that resistance a little bit as well. And let's look left. I think that's all the data we really have. But we do know that the daily does want to come up into these 1974 levels. Let's just mark that off right here. And this is basically the range we have today. That's the range that we're in today. I think if we can get closures above here, then we can look to take buys coming up, right? If we can get a closure above, very nice healthy bullish candle, we can look to take buys coming up on the next candle here. That will be breaking the daily highs as well, and that should do it. So yeah, so I'm gonna be looking to take buys above 1974 140 here. Buys above. Oops. So yeah, buys above here, and then sells, man. Sells are rough on pound yen. Yeah, I don't think I'm taking sells at all today. If I do take sells today, it's going to be probably below 73,600 here. I really don't care for anything in this range, because support, 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 clean traffic. Clean traffic. So for me, I would much rather take a trade or wait for a trade in this range here. Chilling. Friday, no need to rush anything here. So yeah, so buys above this 174 140. Sells are going to be below 173 609 here. Let me just put sells below. And that is the day on pound yen. So that's gold, and then that's pound yen. And we managed to get all that done in 20 minutes. 18 minutes spent on gold, 2 minutes on GJ. All right. So yeah, now we're chilling. So now we're just waiting for candle closures. We could just mark up this support as well, just for the heck of it. And now we wait.
Hey, good morning, brother.
Good morning, Johnny boy.
Good morning, chat. What's going on?
Let's get you right.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, my man.
Sorry.
Happy Friday. And now we got a good spot with the overlay. Now I got a good spot for the Zoom guys, so it don't look all weird and awkward.
Loving the overlay.
You like it?
Sir.
Hey chat, what do you guys feel? You guys liking the overlay? What do you think? What do you think? Thank you, bro. Let's see here. Can you review my trade in Discord? Yes. Good morning, Joe Stewart. My good brother. Hey, good morning or good afternoon, lightly salted. AQN in the building. What's good? Futures yesterday. What's up, bro? It's free
gamer.
It's free donut day at Dunkin', just so you guys know. What? And that, you know why he's telling you that? So you can be disciplined today. And you can know that it's free donut day, but you're not going to get a free donut. You're going to be disciplined and you're just going to drink water all day. Like a savage. Like Jon Stewart.
If it's free, you don't need to get it.
If it's free, it's got a hook on it.
Yep. Hey, good morning, Chandra. How you doing?
Hey, Chandra.
Friday.
Oh, what's this? This yesterday's... How's yesterday's markup still on here? Wait, what's this? Where did this even come from?
I don't know.
What in the world? I have no idea where that even just came from. All of a sudden, my markups from yesterday were just up there.
Oh, because you did it on FX.com, right?
Did I?
Yeah.
No, I don't have that here.
I literally saw you doing it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wait.
You weren't doing it on Alonda.
That's weird.
Bird, right?
What?
Where the hell did your
Bruh.
did it go?
Alright, chat, we gotta do that whole thing over again. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, starting off on the monthly. No, I'm just kidding.
You definitely didn't do it on Alonda.
Yeah, I guess not.
Put in the work, we can enjoy a free donut? Nah.
Nah, B. Put in the work and enjoy discipline. Be a man. Remember that, be a man. You know what you could eat today? Ice cubes. Eat some ice cubes today.
Nice. You need a treat, eat protein ice cream. Figure out how to make it.
Bro, what happened here? Wow.
Morning, Austin. How you doing?
Do we need a range 2 breakout for buys on gold? No. Gold, we are bullish on the day. The way to determine a range 2 or a range 1 is based off the previous daily candle. So if the previous daily candle is closing bullish, then if you're going to take sells, that's where you need a range 2. But if you're going to take buys, you're good. Right? If the previous candle's bearish, then you're going to need range 2 buys, but sells, you're good to go. So if the previous daily candle, whatever the previous daily candle is, if you're going to go the opposite direction, that is where you need the range 2.
Chat, same day, different day, right? Focus on following the plan, being patient and disciplined with our plan, and good things will happen. And we know that if we follow our plan, we win. The wins add up. You know, you gotta remind yourself every day.
Yes, sir. Are you going to trade NFP? Yes. Good morning from the greatest place on earth. Hey, Pablo. What's good, man? What's good? Hello, I'm from Pakistan. I wait for you every day. Oh, man, thank you for coming through. Pound yen, well done. Why is your chart prices and time frames on the chart distorted? Hard to read. Are they? Are they?
No.
Maybe refresh and change the quality of your video. Try 1080p.
Try refreshing. Red FX. Hey, best day of our lives today, Austin.
The best. Last month I fell off a chair. It was a sell. Today Biden falls. Oh man.
Yo, that was crazy.
I didn't see that.
I didn't see the whole video either, but I saw like a clip of it.
Hey chat, can you guys like the stream? If you guys could like the stream, we got almost 250 here, 83 likes. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Can you check US 30? Yeah, let's check it out. US 30. Hey yo, them US 30 cells pumped yesterday. Beautiful celery. Remember, that's what we were talking about, right? Waiting for the celery. Look at that.
Yep.
Right down to target.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I believe I was right at 9:30 too.
Yes, it was. Let's see. All right, let's take a look at US 30 here. So US 30, US 30. So taking a look at the monthly as we open up for a new month, we are pretty bearish. We did close bearish on the month. We did close below this support level here. We should be able to come down, fill this wick. Taking a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly, it looks like it's starting to reject. So it came down, never broke the lows, now came up. It probably didn't have much of a top wick, and that's why you see price coming back up now. Looking at the daily time frame, so the daily's in this range at this point. So you have resistance here, you have a support right here, and this is the range that you're currently in. So we don't know if this candle wants to break out of the range or come back into the range, right? So we've already broken the highs. Next stop, I believe, is this wick fill right here, based off the daily candle. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour, you have a resistance that you did close above. You did close above this resistance here. There is another resistance though right here. This is probably the stronger one too. Rejection, all this, all this, all the rejections here as well. So I would wait for this 4-hour candle to close as always on US 30. And if you do get a closure above at 9 a.m., this would be after NFP as well. If you do get a closure above, then you know, you could look to take your buys coming up. You got pretty clean traffic to the left all the way up until this range, and then some more clean traffic up here. So yeah, I'd wait for the 4-hour to close here, and then you can have a solid decision on where price is going. So that's what I would wait for. I'd just wait for a 4-hour close above here. Let's take a look, see what that looks like on the 1-hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, that would be nice. Nice range on the 1-hour time frame as well. Nice clean traffic on the 30-minute. Obviously, this is where you're gonna go break even. If you guys notice, there's lots of rejections. So if you are taking buys on US 30 above there, just know that this area right here is your rejection zone. Right here. So this is where you do want to move your stops to break even, and maybe even close partials or let it run. But that's about 61 points. So that should be more than enough. Cool. And then any sells on US 30, let's see. Sells do not look the greatest. Yeah. Four-hour supports are down there. Probably maybe like range 2 sells below here. Wait for the range 2 though. Definitely wait for range 2 here. And then you have a pretty decently clean range coming down. About a 40 pip range there. So that's what I would stick with here today. So we're gonna have sells below 33166 or range 2 sells below this area here today. And then we will look for buys above here, this 33237 after the 4-hour close. Yeah, after the 4-hour. 30-minute close, no top wick, rejection coming down. So yeah, just hang tight. Wait for the 4-hour here. That also waits for news as well, and you should have some clear direction on US 30. And if we get the closures above, then again, you got clean traffic to the left-hand side. Should be able to fill this range no problem. Cool. Oh, thanks, man. Some of you guys like the overlay? Sweet. One thing I noticed, I'll fix the chat. Looks like the chat's too small. I'll make the chat a lot bigger, so yeah. Hi, bro. First time here? Hey, awesome. Good to have you. Oh, love what you're doing. Hey, thank you for coming by. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. And we trade the New York session. So come by, come vibe with us, come learn a thing or two. We're not, you know, experts in everything, but, you know, we know a thing or two. And yeah, we'd love to love to help you out in your trading. Let's mark this. I don't know what happened to the markups there. I guess I did it on the other chart. But perfect. So, by the way, gang, we've already had our range too as well. So we've come up, we've created support, we've created resistance. You know, I'm not going to take sells here though, because we're pretty bullish on the day, and this range right here is not the greatest, right? If you look right here. So we could be aggressive on these sells, but look what would have happened here. You would have got wicked in, and now you don't really know what this candle wants to do. This range right here is just a bit choppy, so I would stay away from the sells that you're currently looking at, and I would wait for price to get past this range here. Yeah, wait for your closures below. Don't rush it. Wait for a nice close below, and we could take our sells coming down here today.
There.
Actually, let's throw a little celery play in there. We'll take our sells below. Price will come down. Looking clean. Looking good. Boom, bam. Do exactly what we want. Break the lows. Our runners are going to eat today. Look at that. Look at that. Just going to be like, break the lows. Oh, runners are running. Can you guys see it? Can you visualize it? It's going to be a great day.
Yeah. Hey, Donald, it's okay to take it out, man. You know, there's no need to revenge trade when you have a plan. Just focus on following the plan, right? That's all you can do, right? Because you follow the plan, you win. If you took an L, it's okay. Just ask yourself, did I follow my plan when you took the L? And go over the L. If you didn't follow your plan, then
there is such a thing as a good loss.
there is.
But you gotta make sure you're in line with your plan. And if you're not in line, you know what else is a good loss? Something where you can take a loss and learn and say, you know what? I did this, this, and that, but I missed this. I overlooked that. Next time, I won't miss that. Next time, I won't overlook this part. And next time, I'll put together the trade a little bit better. And that's how you just improve day in and day out. It's a journey. It's a process. It's a day in, day out, getting better, you know. And then eventually, things will start to click. And guess what? You're still going to take losses after that.
Exactly.
The greatest trader you
More
know
losses.
takes a loss.
Mm-hmm.
The greatest trader
Trader out there.
you know most likely took a loss in May at some point. Oh. Oh, Nick, my boy, I made the wild suggestion that we have percentage gain on the screen, and there we have it. Yep. I remember saying thank you for considering my suggestion. Yeah. So we got the percentage gain there. We got, so our overall win rate is up here, right? 53 wins, 11 losses, 4 break even on the year. And then we have our monthly record we'll hold, and then we'll keep a percentage gain. And then if you guys want to switch these things up here and there, we'll go ahead, we'll switch them up a little bit, and we'll do whatever, you know.
Yo, chat, how sick is this overlay? Sick, right?
I was gonna bring it out on Monday, but everyone's excited on a Friday, you know. So I figured I'd bring it out today. I think we're gonna crack 3,000 subs here today, and if we do that, we're also gonna be having a new mod here today as well. And yeah, so good day to bring it out. Let's take a look at this trade by AJ here. So let's see what we got. Previous daily closed bullish, and today gave us the daily candle. Previous daily highs, okay. Support right here, resistance. Where's number 2? Where's 2? Oh, fake out. Yep, fake out below. Buys coming back up. Took buys, previous candle highs. 30-minute time frame. Closed full at 10 pips. Wait. Oh, 10 pip loss. Okay. Went 30-minute candle close. Yeah, nice job. Nice job. That's a good win. I mean, that's a fake out. You were kind of jumping the gun a little bit, but that was not a bad try, man. To catch your buys down there versus breaking these closing above here is not a bad idea. I think that was a great trade. I think you managed risk perfectly as well. You closed, so you didn't close when price came down here. You let this candle fully close. And look at that. Some people get nervous and just close. Imagine closing right before your stops are hit. Like, why'd you set the stop loss? Like, why'd you put it, right? So you didn't close down there. You waited for the candle to actually close and then took your position off right there. Beautiful, man. There's nothing wrong with being wrong, right? But when you know you're wrong, you have to start to look to manage risk. How are you going to do that? And then closing full at 10 pips right when you got that closure below. Perfect. What can I have done better? I think you did everything on point. I think maybe I should have waited for London open. Yup, first 15-minute close. There you go. Yeah, maybe you could have waited for volume to come into the market. Oh, there it is. I executed the buy before 2 minutes before the 15-minute candle closed. Yeah, that makes sense. I bet that 15 closed with no top wick too. Yeah, so that's why you guys. It did?
Oh no, I wonder if it did.
Oh. Yeah, so that's why you guys, when we have buy stops and you guys hear me say, you know what, I'm gonna just delete it and we'll re-add it anytime we're 2 or 3 minutes away from a candle close, because what can happen is all of a sudden that candle can move, tap you into the trade, and then most of the time close with no top wick. That's why you see the wick, he was wicked in, and that was it. There was no further push. It was just straight back down. Is because that 15 probably closed with no top wick. That's what I would assume. Tapping you in, closing with no top wick, and then the next candle rejecting. So honestly, man, good trade. Good trade. The only thing, and it looks like you already understand, is you know, the position 2 minutes before the 15-minute candle closed. Other than that, really good try. You noticed you had a bullish bias. You noticed that you had a support. You waited for range 2. You didn't take these sells, which is really good because you needed a range 2. You got your bullish candle closure back in the range. Took your buys at the break of the highs, man. That's a good trade. Well done. Well done. I took the same trade. Well done. Great trade. Seriously, that's a good one. Two things. Waiting for the 15-minute candle to close, or waiting for the safer entry, which is a closure above here. That's it. Other than that, money. Great job. Good work, AJ. I see the improvements, the adjustments, the improvements, looking good. 1 hour was against us, and the 30-minute was not the strongest. There you go. Yeah, little nuances too. Good try though, man. That's a good trade. That's a real good trade. Was I about to do something in the Discord before that? I forget. Growth, baby. Yep. Don't forget the news. Man, I won't forget the news. It's right here. Trust me, I'm not forgetting about the news.
We ain't professional traders to forget about
Am I seeing it right? We need 40 for 3K. Is that what it is? I think so. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as we inch closer and closer, like that song I played this morning, to 3K here. 316 people watching. I do like that number. And I'm sure there's 40 of you that are not subscribed. So if you can, and if you like the channel so far, give us a sub to the channel and give us a like on the stream. Yeah, whatever's going on with the overlay, I'll relook at the stream today and I'll fix it. So for Monday. So if it's a little blurry, just got to deal with it today. Monday, I'll get it all fixed up.
Yeah, if you look on like the YouTube, it is a little just the buys and sells.
Yeah, but you guys know the top one's always buys and the bottom one sells, right? We don't have to. Yeah, you guys should understand. I'm not gonna have sells above here and buys below here, right? So you guys should know it's buys above here, sells below here today. Come on, gang. Oh, a couple guys took that trade. Yeah, that's a healthy loss. Kelvin took that trade as well. Yeah, not bad, man. If I was looking at that, I probably would have taken that trade too. Yeah, Nick, love the overlay. If you could make the bottom panel a little bit smaller so that the charts are maximized. Yeah, these, you talking about the monthly record and stuff? Yeah, I'll see what we could do. Hey, Unique's in the house. What's up, Unique?
What's up, Unique?
What are you drinking, Nick? I'm glad you asked. Excess, baby. Top flight energy drink in the world, Craig. Hello from Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. I don't think you were about to do anything in the Discord. Oh, thanks, man. Maybe 3K and he changes the overlay. Yeah, maybe 3K and I just snap my fingers and bam, everything's clear.
Hey, chat, shout out to everyone who's just showing up and consistently putting that work in and getting closer and closer to their dreams and goals. Like, it's amazing to see the same names just pulling up every day.
Yeah.
Build discipline, patient muscles, and practice following the plan. It's nice. But shout out, y'all.
Hell yeah. Just amazing. Doom doom. Yeah, just amazing. Feels good, right? Feels good being a part of a community, taking your trading to the next level, being here day in and day out, making it happen, enjoying the journey, enjoying the process, understanding that there is a process to this, and understanding that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I think all the guys that, I think COVID kind of brought a bunch of gamblers into the game in 2020, and and maybe you were one of those gamblers. But you just decided to keep on keeping on, right? And that's what success is about. It's about keep on keeping on, man. Even in the valleys, even in the moments of failure, you got to keep on keeping on, because what you do is you weed yourself out, right? You start to filter yourself out from the weak, and the weak will always fall off. The weak, once they don't get exactly what they want, they can't take the pain. They're not willing to endure the struggle or endure the journey, so they fall off. And here we are now 3 years later. So some of you guys, you know, kind of like me, I mean, I got into trading a little bit before COVID, right? And maybe like the year before. And, you know, I've seen a lot of people come in and out the door since then. And so for all of you guys that are staying steady, sticking to it, understanding it's a journey, understanding that, you know, not everything is sunshine and rainbows on your journey, and it never will be. And you just got to understand that. You just got to keep on keeping on in the face of adversity, and eventually things will start to click for you. Things will start to come together if you just don't quit, right? And if you make those small adjustments, don't continue to drag yourself, right? Don't continue to beat yourself down. You got to look in the mirror every day and say, hey, I'm the best trader in the world, man. I may not have the results just yet, but I'm getting there. I'm learning. I'm staying steady. I'm making the improvements. I'm making the adjustments. I'm asking for help, right? I'm getting this thing done. And you know, if you have that mindset and that mentality that, hey, if he could do it, I could do it, and I'm gonna get it done by any means necessary, then it's just a matter of time here for you. Especially if you're making the tweaks and adjustments. And you know, I don't want to sound like the guy here, but like, if you're doing what we're talking about doing, you're going to start succeed in trading. You're going to start seeing success. You're going to start to see it reflect on your P&L. There's, man, a ton of you guys have hit me up saying, you know, we're doing good. We're doing really good, man. Thank you. We were part of this mentorship for 2 years, and you know, we got nothing out of that. We're here for 2 weeks, and we've already seen a change in our, not only in our trading, but in our mindset, our discipline, our patience. And that's where you want to be. You want to be in that position where it feels good, right? It feels good to progress. It feels good to, you know, move forward, and it feels good to start seeing better results. Like just like in the gym, you go to the gym, you don't see those results right away, right? You go to the gym, you come back, you check the mirror, nothing changed. What the heck? You know, you go do it again, you do it again, you do it again, you do it again. Nothing changing, do it again, just staying consistent. Man, looks like I put on more weight. What's going on here, right? Keep going. And then 2-3 months down the road, you look in the mirror and you go, oh, damn, what's that? What's that right there, right? You start looking up, oh, damn, oh, what's this? I didn't have that before, right? You keep going. You start seeing more better results. You start feeling better, right? Now you start seeing the results. So now you're even more ready to improve and more ready to put in the work. And man, just let that fuel you, gang. Let it fuel you. Let that excite you, man. I don't know about you, but I get excited about growth. I get excited about progress and progression, and it's just amazing, man. Anything we start, we're never gonna be good at. But man, the feeling of starting something and learning from scratch and becoming better, and maybe you're not exactly where you want to be, but you are improving. It's the best feeling in the world. Gets me fired up.
To see where you came from and then to where you're at and where you're going, you know, just enjoying the process is beautiful.
Yeah.
Talk about growth is a beautiful thing.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Been telling all my boys to sub. Oh, nice. Beautiful.
And that goes for anything, you know, you're trying to do, trying to accomplish, trying to get better in. Like, you can't worry about the results, but you can embrace and enjoy and have so much faith in the process. So.
Yeah, man. Just look at the next guy above. Say, hey, if he could do it, I can do it.
Exactly.
You know, I look at Raja and I say, man, that's incredible, but if he could do it, I could do it too.
Yep.
You know, if that guy can do it, I could do it. All right? Got to look at people who are in life where you want to be. Get away from stinking thinking people. Get away from the broke box, the television. Get off all that stuff, gang. You don't need that. You don't need it. Oh, by the way, this is something I want to touch on today. I loved the words of wisdom here today. Just incredible, man. That Austin said it really hit him. If you guys haven't seen the words of wisdom today, go check this out, man. Becoming the person no one thought you were capable of becoming. This has solely been my drive for the past 10 years. To become something that no one ever thought that I would ever become, right? I was not the smart kid in school. I was the class clown. I was not the the golden child in my family and in my bigger family. Not at all. I was the outsider. I was the black sheep, and maybe some of you guys are too. And you guys are here because you want to succeed. You want to see success in your life, and I'm sure for the most part, you've wanted that all of your life, right? That's why you're here. That's why you're continuing on, because there's just something different about you. There's just something different about, you and your cousins, or you and your brothers or sisters, or you and your friends, right? There's just this little thing different about you, right? And that's because you want to succeed, and success is built for those who want to be successful. We can do and create anything we choose to, and we're such powerful human beings. And you could reprogram your mind, gang. I remember I sat at a business conference 8 years ago and got to hear from a really older gentleman named Shad Helmstetter talking about the mind, talking about he wrote the book What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, talking about how your mind is like a computer, and you can go in there and you can reprogram that mind based on what goes into these sense gates. Your eyes, your ears, right? What goes into them. You can start to reprogram that mind to be a totally different person. What does the Bible say? Ye be transformed by the renewing of your mind, right? So, man, just look at this. Become something that so what this is saying is become different, right? You have to grow. God gave you a brain. You could do anything you want with it. You could be anyone you want. You just have to understand, that it all comes to the inputs, right? That we put in our mind. And I love this, right? Because he said, just focus on you. Become the best possible version of yourself. Work hard every single day. Inspire others. Help others. Appreciate others. Grow with others. You see how he put others in there? Gang, in serving each other, we all become free. I want you to understand that. In serving each other, we all become free. When you look out for others and you have the best interest in others, it's going to come back to you in a positive way. I promise you that, right? Instead of being so selfish, switch the word around and become selfless. And you know how you improve your life, or you know what my mentor used to tell me? If you're going through stuff in your life, you know how you get your mind off that? You go help somebody else in their life. You go help someone out, get going, get past what they're going through. And then things will get better in your life. There's just something about helping others that makes you look at your situation and just say, you know what, I'm grateful. Whatever the situation is, I'm grateful. Someone's always got it worse than you, gang. Your day today is somebody's dream day somewhere out there. So always include others. This is your life to live, so dream big. Yeah, have big dreams, man. Big dreams. Magic of Thinking Big. If you haven't read it, go read it. Insane amounts of goals. Yeah, I love this today, bro. I love this. Do not submit to the status quo, right? Being stuck doing something you aren't passionate about. Work towards doing something you are passionate about, and work, until you get it done. And that's been my mindset, man. Like, you're explaining me, man. I'm the guy that went from job to job to job because I just couldn't get passionate. I just didn't have it in me, man. I didn't have it in me to wake up at a time I don't want to wake up, go somewhere I don't want to be with people who I don't want to be with for 8 hours a day, to go home and only have a couple hours to enjoy. Like, I'm just not built for it, man. Some of you guys are built different than me. I am not built for that. I am not. I'll admit it. And I would go from job to job to job. I worked there for 2 weeks, look at my paycheck, and for all that I did, absolutely not, and I'd go to the next one, and I'd go to the next one. And in the meantime, I was building other businesses and, creating other products to sell and doing whatever I could do in my spare time outside of my job, because I just wasn't built for it. And I just wasn't willing to submit to the status quo and being stuck doing something that I'm not passionate about. So I love that, man. This is possible for anything, not just trading. Yup. Good stuff, bro. W's. I love that. If you guys haven't read that today, go check that out. That's good. That's good stuff on a Friday.
Beautiful stuff. Awesome.
All right. So we have the NY Open coming up here. NY Open coming in hot. The Zulu King is in the building. Hey, it's an honor to have you here. I'm from South Africa. We don't have excess here. Oh. Hi, your charts are not on full screen mode. Who knows how to put it on full screen mode? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, sells below 1975, 780, which is at support on the 1 hour time frame. If you guys can't see the number, just look at the support. And then buys are at 1980, 655. So I'll get the charts cleaned up and clear. This is the first time using it, so yeah. Having a Red Bull and a cigarette for breakfast. That's like a true leader. Like that. Is it possible to break down oil? Yes, we could break down oil. I am over the moon today. It's official. You all are now part of the rest of my life. Oh, that's amazing. Love it. Wait, Nick. I will not become a millionaire in the next 30 days. I will unsubscribe. Oh, yeah. Sure. Yeah, everyone, you're going to be millionaires. Hey, here's the fact. Not everyone's going to be a millionaire. Some of you guys, you're just not built for it. You're just not built for it. You're just not going to last. Unfortunately. I hate to break it to you. But don't let that be you. Don't let it be you. But unfortunately, not everyone's going to make it, gang. Not everyone's going to make it. Sometimes on your journey, you're going to leave without people. Your calling is going to continue to call you on, and they're just not going to want to continue on. So Tandy's here. Tandy's here. There he is.
Here we go. All right.
What up, Tandy?
What we doing?
Good, brother. How are you?
Doing good. Just working a lot. So.
Working.
Yeah, haven't been able to make it.
You going to work now, Tandy?
Yeah.
Yeah. In Clearwater?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're with that, so we're right there. That's why I've been having to do this.
Hey, at least you're not too far from home.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yes, sir. How's the weather out there? Haven't went outside yet.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that, chat. Another beautiful day. Yeah, I gotta drive down to Del Rey today.
Ooh, little vacation.
Gotta go see some family down there this weekend.
Nice, dude. Del Rey's nice.
Yeah, it is. Did you see that Words of Wisdom by Austin today? You gotta check it out.
Doing it right now.
All right, so what's up, Danny?
No, just saying the man Austin.
Yeah. So let's see what happens here. So we have the NY Open coming up. There's a pretty strong support right here on gold. If we do close below, we may be able to get some sells here before the NY Open. And before the news comes out. But we'll see. That's the only way I'll take sells. Being that we did create that range 2 already, so it's just a matter of if we can close below or not. Where is it? You thinking what I'm thinking? You thinking what I'm thinking? I'm living proof of this. Trust the process and embrace the journey. Yes, hey, you and me both, brother. You and me both. All right, so it doesn't look like we're gonna close before the NY Open. No worries. We'll wait for NFP and see where we're at. So NY Open is here. Candle did close bullish on the 1 hour, so see what happens. Let me go down the list. Thank you for this information. Love you. Hey, Storm player, I love you too. I love you, man. If Nick can do it, I can do it too. Exactly. Exactly. AJ, you're welcome, bro. I just read it and it touched me also. Yeah, look at that. Look at the impact.
And that's awesome. Awesome. Now Austin's going full time too. That's super cool.
Yeah, man. Big day for Austin today. Putting in his 2 weeks. Hey, Austin, you know what you should do today? Go into your boss's, if your boss gave you a hard time throughout your career, go in there today with a mistletoe tucked on the back of your belt buckle, and then when you walk out the office, tell him kiss it.
Dang.
Let's get it, Austin.
I had a guy tell his boss, you know what? My wife is just hotter than you, man. I'm out of here. I'm spending the rest of my time with my wife. Imagine some of you guys spend more time with your boss than your husband or wife. Come on, baby. Let's fix that, man. Let's fix it. Let's get you free. Sometimes people, man, they dress up for you know, their boss more than they dress up for their husband or wife. It's backwards.
Alright, how you gonna be more nice to your boss, not your wife or your husband?
Be nice to your boss. Come home, give your spouse some attitude or something. Come on.
Third, kiss your boss's ass and then give your spouse attitude.
Don't make sense.
It's not a good look.
Yo, the new stream is fire. Butt. Thank you. How old are you, brother? 33? Me either. I'm passionate about this and helping others, not a 9-to-5 life. Yeah. Yeah, the issue becomes in a marriage is that he goes this way, she goes this way. He has his profession, she has her job, right? He has his friends, she has her friends. Now what happens, right? Now you come back home and you don't do anything together. So you sit on the couch and watch the electric income reducer and don't say anything to each other. So let's get you guys free, man. Hey, ever since I've been spending a lot more time with my wife, we've been arguing a lot. Well, yeah, you gotta fix it, man. You gotta learn to work together. Gotta learn to work as a team, man. Me and my wife, we're like two wings on one bird, man. We fly together. Thanks, brother, for the encouragement. Jesus loves you very much. Thank you, Bobby.
For real. When you're focused on personal development, you gotta put that spouse area too. You know, you gotta, compliment your wife at least a couple times a day. You know, something like that. Something to work on your relationship with your other, so you can better that.
F11 for full screen. F11. Is it Shift F11? Blunt and a Red Bull. There you go. Why do you use thick lines that support resistance? No reason. Yeah, exactly. I have a nice life, healthy family, amazing kids, so I'm a millionaire already. Yep. Hey, we've already won, gang. You've already won. How could you make it when you've already won? Top right option for full screen.
The fact that you have life and that you're breathing right now.
How's that?
A smile on your face.
Full screen, is that better?
I gotta look on YouTube.
Let me know. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Did you learn from Don Vo? Yes, absolutely. Don Vo's the man. And that dude taught me a lot. A whole lot about trading. Super grateful for Don.
Super grateful.
Wishing him the best month of June he's ever had. Yeah, that's my dude, man. That's my dude. He's helped me a lot in my trading. He's also really helped me a lot. He's been there to talk over Instagram, talk about streaming and all that stuff. So, man, I got nothing but love in my heart for Donvo. He's really helped me out a lot. Do you predict a buy or a sell for NFP? I don't predict. I have no idea. But we will know in about 20 minutes. Hey, the one thing I don't like about this is the time frames here. Can't see my time frames now. Does this look better? Let me know.
Word, you can't see the top time frame.
Let me know. Let me know.
You know. Where you can't see the top time frame.
Kiss it. My boss is actually so nice. I've genuinely... Okay, yeah. Don't do that then.
Yo.
Just, hey, Uncle Scout.
Uncle Scout.
My boss.
What's going on?
John, yesterday, the second you got off,
Yeah, he knows.
Nah, I know.
like literally in a second.
Facts.
Unbelievable.
Real.
What's up, everybody?
That's that.
How we
What's
doing?
up? John
Fantastic. It's gonna be a good day.
John knows trades are like buses.
Marked up my charts a little bit differently, and I wasn't just gonna go against what I planned out originally
Yeah.
Yeah.
from the start. So I was cool with not taking it. You know, I knew it would. I knew I had a high chance of driving them.
Yes, sir. If you really like your boss and you feel bad, what I would do is I would say, you know, boss, go into the office, kick your feet up on the desk, say, you know, boss, I was thinking a little bit, man. You know, you and I, we click, we got a good relationship going here, and you know, I was thinking about the job, and you know, I wanted to free up some time a little bit, so. You know, I was looking. I know I work 9 to 5 now, but you know, I was thinking about maybe a little bit of a later start, maybe coming in at 11:30, going to lunch at 12, coming back from lunch at 1, and leaving at like 1:30. And you know, I really would like an increase in salary. We've been here for quite some time, and you know, I want a $50,000 raise, and just see what he says.
Fact. Go for the raise first. Definitely.
I want to put a 10 lot on the trade we take today. Oh, baby. I don't even use the word boss. Yeah, man. Ain't nobody my boss.
Oh, nice template on the live stream.
Oh, you like that?
That's fire.
Thanks, bro.
Nice. Fire.
2 wings on a bird. Love that phrasing, bro. Hey, yeah, that's awesome. Since I've been spending more time with my wife, I have a few more kids. Yeah, isn't it funny how that works? All of a sudden you get free and here come the kids. What in the heck? Where'd these guys come from? I need 6.5 to pass phase 1. Awesome.
That's light. Keep following your plan.
Yes, sir. Hey man, what chat means is the area of the overlay is a bit small. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and watch the stream today, and I'll make the adjustments so that way on Monday everything's good. So this is our first time using it, so yeah. I love the feedback though, guys. Thank you very much. At least you're not. It's like one of those guys, you know, when you got something on like your face or something, you're like, yo, you got something on your nose there, you know. At least you guys are telling me. Otherwise, I walk around with a blurry screen moving forward. We don't want that. Putting trading view on full screen won't change that, bet. Can you look at oil? Yeah, let's take a look at oil here. Oil. Let's remove all drawings. Let's start off on the weekly time frame here. See what we got going. Wow, yeah, this was that crude oil inventory sale news, I think yesterday or the day before, right? So yeah, so it looks like you based off the weekly. Let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly is we closed bearish, but very close to support here. So if you notice, we have a support right here. We've seen this on gold not too long ago as well. Closed right at support. So we are bearish overall in the monthly time frame, but we do want to understand that there is a support there. And right now we could be making a top wick, or we could be pushing up to close bullish, right? I don't think we have, yeah, no top wick on that previous monthly candle. Taking a look at the weekly time frame, you did have that news come out yesterday, which pushed oil down and then back up. So it looks like you're in this range currently on the weekly time frame. Taking a look at the daily, daily has a support here, a resistance up here, and this candle currently has no bottom wick. So that's a little bit concerning. Candle with no bottom wick on this daily time frame. I do expect for price to make a daily bottom wick. Taking a look at the 4 hour, let's see what's going on here. You do have a nice push up. Again, no bottom wick on this 4 hour candle. That may lead to the beginning of the push down for the daily, but we don't know that yet, right? We just gotta wait. But all in all, pretty bullish based off the daily candle here. So we've broken the highs already. I would wait for a 1 hour candle to close, and then you could take advantage of all this range to the left hand side. So wait for a closure above 71.28 here. This is going to be your target, which is 71.90, and that looks like a clean range. If you do close above, you should be able to make your way up on the next candle, or maybe a candle or two. But yeah, no bottom wicks here on these 1 hours, 4 hour candles, so that's a little bit concerning. So buys above 71.28, and then sells would probably be below 70.77 here. So pretty simple. Looks like you're almost out of that range, and then you could probably continue up to way up here today. So yeah, that's oil. Those are my thoughts on oil. Really hope you hit 3K subs today. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we do. I don't think we're too far away.
Do we need 200?
No, maybe 10 or 20.
Oh.
We need those time frames on screen, bro. Yeah, we do. What was your last month percentage gain? 11%. More important to know entry price if it happens. I think he said 86%. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing good, man. We're doing really good. Doing really good. Ask him to let him work remote. Yeah. Ask him. Say, boss, I just want to work an hour a day, and I want to work it remote. And in that hour, I need a 30-minute lunch.
Okay.
And I need $50,000 on top of my yearly salary. You taking any news trades? No, I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to have buy stops or sell stops. We're one of the boring streams for news. We're going to watch it come out, and then we're going to look to catch some positions afterwards.
We will have a lot of volume after news.
Oh, yeah. Be a lot of leftover volume. Yep. I work hybrid. Oh, my God. Is that such a thing nowadays? 2 in the office and, oh. Gotcha. Wow, is that what they're calling that now? I work hybrid. Fancy, man. Ever since LinkedIn came out, right? Everyone's got these fancy names for their jobs. Man, that's why I like you. You don't get rude when people ask the same questions over again because they missed it. Yeah, it's fine. I know people are coming in and coming out, so I understand. I understand. Oh, yes. You know what? I meant to add the clock. Yes, that was the big thing I wanted to add. Crap, I don't know how I missed that.
Great black.
Yeah, I gotta add a clock so we know the time. Oh. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Global pump after news? Yes, I think so. See what happens. Taco Tuesday, honestly. Bags, be like Scott. Just make a Taco Tuesday today. Have some tacos today.
The bezel.
For Mo, a lot of people. Yeah, I'm here, but a lot of people.
Alrighty. Yeah, we're not doing much here with the NY Open. We got 8:20 coming in here any second now. 2 minutes actually. Starting to range here on the 30-minute time frame, getting ready for news. It's coming in. How do I calculate what volume to enter? Oh, you gotta do math. You gotta do some math. Unless you got magic keys, then that'll do the math for you. Hey, almost 200 likes. Hey guys, if you haven't liked the stream, come on, give the stream a like. See if we can get to 200 by 8:20. We got 30 seconds. Let's see. 185. Do I see 180? There's 185. Do I see 190? Do I see 190? Do I see 190? 190. We got 185. But there's 190. 190. Do I see 195? 195 coming in hot. Coming in hot. Hey, if you guys would like the butt. Oh, 198. 198. And can we get to 200? 200. 200. 200. 200. Any minute now. Any minute now. Hey, two more. Two more. Oh, there we go. 200 likes. Job well done, my friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. Beautiful work. 200 likes. All right, here's 820 breaking the lows. Let's see what's going to happen here. Second by second cover. Breaking the lows. See if we break this low here. Should start to see a push. But we break this low. If we break this low, you should see another jump down. Oh, there it is. There it is. Here comes the push. Here it is. There it goes. There it goes. Almost 10 pips. All right, so news coming up in 10 minutes here. Let's see what they're expecting. Looks like they're expecting lower numbers here today. So lower numbers, looks like the unemployment rate they're expecting right around the same numbers here. So yeah, these are significantly lower numbers too. They're 60,000, almost 60,000 lower. So look at that. There's the pullback up. Shout out to everyone who took sells on the break of these lows. Yikes. Let's see here. Why buy there? Just because this is a 25 pip range. So in the beginning, we talked about possible buys right here if it happened at the NY Open. Otherwise, we just wait and take our buys above here. So yeah. So either or, depending on if we have volume or not. That's why I have them there for now. Because you do have a tradable 25 pip range here. How does Magic Keys help you to do the math? Oh, it calculates everything for you. So based on where you drag your stop loss, it will adjust the lot size. So it'll calculate the lot size. So if you only want to risk 1%, you can move your stop. And if you, let's say you were taking a buy, and your stop was here, and this was your entry was where price currently is. Then you would open up a 10 lot, but as you start dragging it more and more pips down, it'll go, 6 lot, 7 lot, or 7 lot, 6 lot, 5 lot, 4 lot, it'll just start getting lower. So as you move it closer to your entry, it'll get a bigger lot size, and as you move it further away, it will calculate it so no matter what, it will only be 1% risk. Do you have an affiliate link where we could buy Magic Keys? Yeah, it's in the description. Yeah, if you look on the description of the stream, it'll be right there. Tacos taste better on Tuesday, but Thursday is a good day to have them. Friday too.
Any day.
Any day, yeah. For the 200 likes, you are doing a giveaway. Oh man, I wish. Now we'll probably do another giveaway at 5,000 subs. 3,000 and 2,000 was just too easy, man. We did that in like 20 days. So that was just too easy. 5K subs, I think, is going to be our next milestone. So we'll wait for that. But 3K is a milestone, so that's why we're going to do some fun stuff here today. Hashtag where is Sam? Facts. Nick, I see that you're very interested in religion, a strong believer. What do you think about other religions? I just think that that God's word is living word, and that it's the truth, and that what it says in it is true. And yeah, I just believe that. I don't really look much outside of that. I have dived into other religions. I understand them. I've read and studied some of the Quran and some of the other books out there. But yeah, I find truth, living proof in the Holy Bible. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, so it's a personal relationship,
Hola.
Hola. Who's that?
Sam.
Damn.
Sam who?
Wham.
Oh, Summer.
Sam who?
Damn, I am.
Wham.
Damn.
What up, what up?
How you doing, bro?
I just woke up. I ain't gonna lie. I was sitting here and fell asleep again. And then, I don't know, someone said woke me up. And that was like 20 minutes ago. Because I was up real early.
Yeah, you messaged me early in the morning today. Video message and all that. I'm like, all right, this guy's up early. He must still be up from last night.
Yeah, I know, and I fell asleep.
It happens. Just in time for the news.
Yes, sir. I think it was like my inner clock. It's like, hey, yo, it's about to be 8:30. It's about
Yo.
to be 9 a.m. 9:30.
Hey, yo, one time I woke up, I woke up and it was 6:41. So while there was like 100 people waiting or 50 or whatever it was waiting, I was snoozing.
Like right now.
I was like, yo, nah, not today, but one other day in the past, man. I woke up, dude. It was 6:41, and I was like, yo, and I came on the stream. You guys didn't even know. I was like, let's go. Who's ready? Who's fired up? Yeah. Oh man. If there was a day where you thought I was being extra, that was probably the day that it was. Had to wake myself up, man. Oh man.
That's so funny, actually.
Every streamer has done it, trust me. Whether you know it or not, every streamer's done it.
Oh, I'm not even gonna lie. I've had that.
Nick, do you ever use the 15-minute time frame in times of volume? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we've had quite a few 15-minute entries here in what was that? I think that was last month, right? In May. 15 minute, yeah. 15 minute. I think it was in April. Yeah, 15. So yeah, 4 trades on the 15 in April. 2, I think. 2 in May. So yeah, as you guys can tell, a lot of trades we take are off the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. And yesterday's as well. Yeah, so we use the 15-minute when necessary. Hard shell tacos.
That's what I mean.
For real?
Why do Sam's always eating tacos in the morning.
I just like, yeah. Well, no, I had them last night.
Why do I feel nervous while waiting for this report? That's because you have a buy stop and a sell stop with a 10 lot. I know what you're doing, Pablo. You already showed your cards already.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. We're gonna get plenty of volume after this plays out.
Yeah. News in 4 minutes. News in 53 seconds here. What's it gonna do? Which way is it gonna go? Who's got buy stops and sell stops? Who's got them? Let's hear.
Buy or sell?
Sell.
Buy or sells, gang.
Sell.
RKO.
No, I'm kidding.
All right, here it
Buy,
comes.
sell. Why not just do both and then close whatever one that goes in their direction?
Yeah, facts.
Kidding, chat.
Just know that trading news is very risky, so risk at your own level. Don't over risk, don't blow all your money. If you want to do it, but make sure you can handle the loss if it's taken. Spread should be growing.
7 pips.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, she might choose.
Oh, pushing down. There it is. There it is, mates. Beautiful, and it should continue. Most likely will continue down unless we
Sell.
tap into support.
Do it.
Slippage was real. If you had your sell stops here, you probably got activated somewhere down here. There you go. Yes. Who teaches you to profit, who leads you by the way. Oh, yes. Hallelujah. Yes, God's word is so good, so rich, so rich in mercy, so rich in grace. Oh man. It just,
how to live a proper life. All the secrets to living a successful life, proper life, is in the Bible. You just gotta go and read it.
oh man, just such a good word.
Yeah.
Such a good word, and he's so faithful to your word. If you guys haven't read Deuteronomy chapter 28, the blessing of obedience, go check it out. These are words that I've carried with me for years upon years, and God is so faithful, man. So faithful.
Faithful God, eternal God, and a God full of promises.
Yes. Predictions? Yes, sell. Bleeder.
Yeah, you heard me.
Really?
No, I'm playing.
I've never had so much slippage. Yeah, what'd you guys get slipped? Check pound yen. Let's check it out.
Spreads are like 8 pips.
Yeah, spreads are going crazy.
Going crazy. Jump out at the show.
Did you get in a sell on that? No way. No way. No way, Jose. Oh yeah, look at this 4-hour time frame. This looks good. Remember what we talked about our sells here today? Remember why we may anticipate sells. So it's sometimes when the bias is bullish, look at that. We never broke the weekly highs here. Monthly top wick. This may very well be the monthly top wick. Respecting the weekly highs. And the daily candle now rejecting in this rejection zone. Come on, gang. We know how to put. Do we know how to put it together, or do we know how to put it together? I think we're gonna be rejecting this area, but we don't think. We just gotta react, right? But if I was to think, I would think we would reject that area today.
I'll do the thinking for you. Yeah, I think you're right too. So
Yeah, man.
In case it doesn't, you can blame me.
Yeah. See, you see how we put this. See how we put this type of information together, right? Monthly creating a top wick. Weekly, failing to break the highs as of now, pushing back down. Daily approaching this very high level of rejection to possibly create a resistance to continue down. 4-hour looking gorgeous. 4-hour creating resistance. Man, if we close below here, we are gone. We're coming downtown, like Raja would say. So let's just wait for all this to play out and we'll be ready to go. So for those of you who didn't waste your trade today on NFP, we will most likely be able to catch the NFP move, just at a way safer entry and a way smarter approach. Because if the 4-hour closes, or this candle closes below, we get a 4-hour top wick and then we should continue downtown. Downtown. $30-40 pips, yeah, that's not too bad. I got slipped one time. I think it was NFP. Yeah, I think it was NFP. Got slipped. It was NFP plus Russian-Ukraine stuff happening. I got slipped over 70 pips.
That's not good.
I was like, let's go. What, drawdown. What's going on? So, yeah, I just stopped doing that stuff. We coming downtown. Yeah, we gotta wait. We need to see this candle close. For those of you jumping the gun right now, you guys, your heads are spinning. Spinning, because this thing is moving like crazy right now. Holy. NFP Hurricane, yeah. Hey chat, you guys, yeah, NFP Hurricane here. 339,000. That's way higher than expected. Sam, give us the rundown on what that means.
So if there was that many more jobs created, I mean, that would be US dollar strength, but it's gonna follow the price action. And
Yeah.
that might be why it's like taking a minute to come down, you know what I mean?
Yup.
Because, I don't know.
It wants to activate all buyers. What about the, so we also have unemployment rate here.
Yeah, it's kind of mixed.
Yeah.
Unemployment is up. If you see there's a little red folder. If you scroll down some, it's actually talking about the employment situation. It was come from the BLS, which is the Bureau of Labor Statistics for the United States.
Where is that?
Just that headline alone makes me think that they're more concerned about the unemployment
Yeah.
than the news.
Yeah, I think
or
so.
The job creation.
Yeah, this isn't. This is kind of a made-up number anyway, I think.
Yeah, basically, they can make it whatever they want.
Yeah.
Here, if you scroll down, I'll see if I can. Oh, you might have to refresh it actually. It should be right in that news/latest stories.
Let me refresh.
Yeah, there you go. I just seen it for half a second. It's the very top one.
This one, right?
Yeah. But just that title right there to that article, you know,
Yeah.
the employment situation.
Yep. Yeah, what's up with that? The employment situation?
Right.
Wait, is there a situation with me being employed? Yes, there is. Wait till you see quarter 3 and 4, how many jobs start going, how many people's jobs get cut. Yeah, gang, now all we do is look at the 4 hour. So now we just wait for the 4 hour close. What we want to see here is this 4 hour close below this range here. That's what we want to see. We get a closure below. Look what happened last time. Downtown we went. Look what happened last time. Downtown we went. So we may have some really nice runners here today.
Let me see, what was the ADP NFP yesterday too? Is that what maybe? Oh yeah.
They always mix the numbers.
850. Oh, if you look actually yesterday at 8:15, same thing happened. It drove down first, but I mean it did eventually come back up. But the difference between yesterday and today is there is no more NFP or anything tomorrow that we're waiting for. So,
Right.
like now that all that news is out, this could be the top quote unquote getting price in, and we can come down. Regardless of what happens, I'm still trading, waiting for the setups no matter what. Like we can talk
Yes,
about
sir.
this and say it's gonna do this, and that, but unless it's a setup, there's no trading.
Yep, exactly.
Remember that, chat. I'm someone that sits here and watches news, and you know I've done a good bit of research on fundamentals, but I'm still not gonna take a trade if there's no setup. I can't say that, oh, unemployment's up 3.7% from 3.5. Let me, if I get a 4 lot in here and then I put my stop loss above the range and then, yeah, this should calculate, like, no. Like you just gotta trade the candlesticks. That's the most important thing. That's the way you manage your risk anyway, so you can't find something on the candlesticks and just stay out.
Yep.
My best advice.
Yeah, if nothing sticks out, stay out. Stick to the plan. Stick to the script. Can we look at the 1 minute on gold? No. I don't even have the 1 minute up here. GJ rejecting.
Why
Huh?
would you know? Yeah.
Sounds like Sam and John's mics aren't working the best, or not working the best, but
I just turned mine up. Maybe that was it. So let me
maybe.
know if it's different now.
That's actually kind of weird.
Yeah. Like, I highly doubt Nick did anything.
No, I didn't. Would you rather wait for a 1 hour confirmation or a 4 hour? Well, the cool part about it is the 1 hour and the 4 hour are both closing up here. So they're both the same candle in a way. And they both have the same exact support. So both of them need to close below. This 4 hour is this 1 hour, which is this 30-minute. And yeah, we need to see both close below. Yeah, once we get a close below, we should be good to go. 418 people watching, 420 people watching. Appreciate you guys coming by. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel on this beautiful NFP Friday as we make our way to 3,000 subscribers here. So you make a difference. If you haven't liked the stream as well, give the stream a like. Down. GJ, rundown for GJ is still the same thing. We're just waiting for a closure above here. Looking to take buys on pound yen today. Very, very bullish on the weekly, very bullish on the daily. 4 hour has been rejecting, so if we get a closure above, that'll also be closing above resistance on the 1 hour. We can take this thing up, fill the wick, continue up to 1974 700 here today. But we got to see a candle close. Buys above here.
Candle closure.
Yeah. The mics are a bit off. Have they been off the entire time, or did something just happen?
Uncle Scalp sounds crisp. Yeah, I have no idea.
Damn.
Let me see.
Let me check OBS real quick.
Do you have a gain switch on your mic, Nick?
No. Oh, what?
Like, do you have like a knob or something on it? Turn up for the gain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like volume, you mean?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, maybe. Try turning it down a little bit. It sounds like you got a lot of white noise.
All right. How about now? How about now? Maybe I'll sound lower.
That might be decent. Chat, let us know. Let everyone know.
It sounds normal.
Yeah, like it'll still sound the same. All it does is like pick up more background noise.
What happened here? I thought I had this one. Oh, overlay. Let me see. Properties. Boom, that's good.
I'm not too sure.
Let me see something here. I don't know what happened to the mic. Maybe something happened with the mic.
I wouldn't want to mess with it too much right now if I were you. It's alright.
Yeah, I mean,
It's more important that they hear you anyways.
yeah, I'm not too sure. I'll figure it all out though.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it.
So if I sound farther away, I mean, I haven't changed anything from what I've been doing in the past. So.
Yeah.
It says that my voice is good, but yours sounds a little bit far away, so I'll figure it out here after the stream. Oh, 4 hour ripping. This is good. This is good. We got real clean traffic all the way down here today. There we go. Daily breaking lows. Perfect. Oh yeah, let's take a look at US 30 here. What happened with US 30? Pushing up. Yeah, you get that 4 hour to close above. It's like what we talked about this morning. You close above there, you should be good. Nice clean traffic all the way up. Yeah, that's your initial range here. And then you start breaking above here, closing above, then you got more clean traffic to the left. So loading, it's loading. I'm down 6% on phase 1 because of over risking and over trading gold. Yeah, that'll do it. That is the plan. I mean, that is the that's a recipe for disaster. Over trading and over risking.
That's why you need a plan, or else you don't know what to do, and then you'll find yourself blowing accounts.
Yep. You gotta be very calculated with your trading, gang. You gotta be very professional with the way you handle your capital.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's the capital is a gift. How are you gonna manage it? How are you gonna multiply it?
Yep. Trading is seriously a business. Like, the way you treat your money, in this is very important. Like, you can't be making stupid purchases or wasting it on stupid trades or something like that, or using too much of it. You gotta be very smart with it. Like, it's a business.
Yeah. Yep. If you need more information on that, go and look and read Proverbs. Read the book of Proverbs. Read the book of Proverbs, right? Proverbs 21. The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty, right? The plans of the diligent. Gotta have a plan. Got to have a plan, right? Proverbs 21, actually. The wise store up a choice of food, but the fools gulp theirs down. What will you do with your capital, my friends? What will you do with it? What will you do with the gift that's been given to you? Your choice. What do we have on gold now? Same thing we've been had is just a waiting for a closure below. Still got 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. So I'd like to see this candle possibly pull back a bit. If not, close below this range. So I don't want us to close right here. I want us to either pull back, leave a wick for a wick fill, or close below this range here so we can continue down. But not right at this area. Four-hour is clean though. And we do not want this 4 hour closing with no bottom wick. But we got plenty of time. There's still 10 minutes in this candle here. So just let it do its thing, and we can't change anything about it. We just gotta wait and see how it unfolds. Love the book of Proverbs, yes. Proverbs be your best friend. It's the roadmap to a divine life. Lack of discipline and wanted to get rid of the challenge phase. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? When we rush trading, when you rush the challenges, it ends up taking long. Just like anything, right? You rush it, it ends up taking longer than it should have. So honestly, just don't rush the process of your challenge. Just don't do it. Just do it the right way. Earn it the right way. And, you know, you'll be satisfied when you get the victory. But, you know, think about this, right? Nothing changes when you pass that challenge. You're still going to take on the same characteristics, the same little traits that you have right now. Now is when you want to get down to discipline. Now is when you want to treat this thing like you already have the capital, because chances are when you if you do pass over just, you know, lucky trades, you're not going to be able to sustain the account long term. Like, you're probably going to possibly blow it, right? So start doing the things now. Do this thing the right way. Don't try and shortcut the shortcut. Don't try and cheat the game. The game knows exactly how you play it. And, you know, treat it like a business, and it'll reward you like a business. But don't try and just blow through challenges. Trust me, that stuff never works.
Oh, you'll find yourself just buying.
Yep, buying new challenges. Buying new challenges. A true religion, James 1:27. Yeah, just taking care of people, man. I mean, that's what I tell you guys all the time, to go out and just serve other people, right? You got it. Go out and help someone. Even $5, buying them a slice of pizza, buying them a bottle of water. You know, there's a lot of people out there that need things. You may not be able to fulfill their entire life, but you can help them, right? Sometimes, you know, I always carry a case of waters in my car. So that way, there's a lot of homeless people out here, and they're out on the streets and they're looking for money or this or that. But hey, those guys are thirsty, right? Those guys and girls need some water. So in Florida, I always keep a case of waters in the back, and anytime I see a homeless person, or, you know, at a traffic light or something, I just be like, hey, you want some water? Always taking it. And you know what's so cool about some homeless people and you know, people that kind of live off the streets is they're not greedy. They're never gonna take more than what they need, right? Like, I'll give you 3. They're like, no, two's fine. I always tell them, I'll give you a third for good luck. You know, just take the 3. It gets hot out here, man, and people could use something. Imagine you guys have been thirsty, right? Been really, really thirsty at times. Imagine just having a nice. Imagine when you were really, really thirsty, you actually did not have any water, right? Most of us could go to the fridge. We can go to the store, we could buy water, we could do this, right? Imagine not even having any water. Being really, really thirsty, like really thirsty. That sucks. So,
Yeah.
hey.
Think about if you were in their shoes, you would want someone to bring you water, right?
Yeah.
So it's just about doing that. Treat thy neighbor as thyself, right?
Everyone wants water, or could use some. So even if you don't have a lot, or if you don't have this or that, how about a couple bottles of water? I have doubt based on which time frame to use. Managing risk, 30-minute. I always go off of the time frame I took the trade off of. So if I took it off the 30-minute, I'll wait for the 30-minute. Everything you want to do, you want to keep it under one time frame. And that's how you manage risk, in my opinion, the best way. Because if you take a trade off of a 1-hour time frame, well, and then you start breaking 15-minute highs, 5-minute highs, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're wrong on the trade. Because the 1-hour high right here, let's say this 1-hour candle closed, the top wick can break 30-minute highs, it could break 15-minute highs, it could break 5-minute highs, and still respect this 1-hour high, and then continue down. So that's why I don't do that. I just manage based off of the time frame I took it off. Just like you did. Wasn't that you, Donald? The trade from this morning on Discord. You did a perfect job there. You manage it based off of the time frame you took it on, which is beautiful. Beautiful. Let it come naturally, yeah. Yeah, if you get it quick, you won't appreciate it. Yep. You mentioned next year there will be a $1 million account for you. What company will you be doing that through? So as of right now, it's going to be 600,000 with my Forex funds, 400,000 with FTMO. And then I'm just going to copy trade, put them on a copy trader. But I also am looking into another prop firm right now that does have a actual $1 million account. And that would be ideal for me. I'd like to keep everything under one roof and not use a copy trader. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're not there yet. That's going to be next year. So as of right now, though, it's going to be through my Forex funds and FTMO. Saw some people saying my Forex funds is a scam. Something about spread. Yeah, they probably rushed the trade, got spreaded in, and took a fat loss, and now they're mad at the company. God bless you. I hope people learn from you. Yeah, I hope so too.
Company's a scam because they have spreads. Definitely.
Which program do you use for a copy trader? I don't use a copy trader yet, so I can't even speak on that. Good morning, Bob the Third. Good morning, good morning. All right, 4-hour candle is gonna close up here. Really want to see us pull back. Got 2 minutes. Okay, 5-minute close bullish. Maybe we'll push up here. We need a wick. We need a wick here, and we also need a top wick on the next candle. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Is there an onion on US 30? What time frame? Yeah, especially if we close above, you got a nice support now. What is a copy trader? Can someone define it, please? Yeah, it's a program that copies your trades. So you could link multiple accounts up to one copy trader, and you could trade one account, and it'll take the trades on all the accounts. It'll copy the trades.
Ooh, GJ too. I mean, I'm interested in both. But
Yeah, I'm interested in both here. I'm interested in the playbook. The one thing is sketchy about GJ is I can't really see previous price data here.
Yeah.
So that kind of sucks. But I do know the daily would like to target this 174-700 area. Hi, I'm from Pakistan. I'm watching daily, but I'm having some trouble understanding trading. Do you have any courses, videos, or anything related to according to the? Yeah, I mean every single live stream we do, you could watch the breakdown in the beginning of the stream, and that'll pretty much teach you everything you need to know about marking up your charts, about what to look for on time frames, and the idea of, every time frame is a different chapter, all giving you details, all giving you words to put together to create the ultimate story. So I would do that. I also have a one-on-one program where you can book a one-on-one with me, or if you're really serious, I still have one spot open in the Time to Eat Elite program. So that's an 8-week mentorship program, one-on-one, where we dive extremely deep into the strategy, into trading, into gold, into psychology, dive really deep into your trading, where you're at as a trader, and where you want to get to, and yeah, so it looks like we closed below here. I am personally not going to jump on sells right away here. We have a new 4-hour candle. That 4-hour candle close, it did leave us a bottom wick. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a nub type of wick and then push back up to create a steeper top wick here. Because we also have this area right here that we have to be aware of, which is 10 pips away. Dum, dum. $470 watching. Hey, if you guys could like the stream, like it up, man. Like the stream up and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And I don't know, are we at 3K yet? Are we there? Let me refresh. Oh, less than 10 to go.
What's up, chat? You ain't subscribed yet? Subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah, this will be nice. If we can get a 30-minute celery play, we'll take sells on the break of the lows. If price will wait for us, we will be good to go here. Clean traffic to the left-hand side. Close somewhat like this. We can have sell stops on the break of these lows here. You have one minor support here. So we'll see what happens. GJ gone. How much are the one-on-ones? They $100. $100 for like a 2-hour session. Do you think I can make 5.7% by the end of the month? Absolutely. Absolutely. How do you classify range 2, Nick? I always mess that one up. That's going to be based off the previous daily candle. So if you're looking for sells today, you want to wait for range 2 sells because the previous daily, if you notice, has closed bullish. So range 2 sells is what you would look for today, which we've already gotten range 2 at this point. So anything below there now is pretty clean. But yeah, so we want to see this candle come up, make a steeper top wick, and then we could have sells on the break of these lows here. Because what we're doing is we're waiting for volume now. So we had our volume push. So now price will most likely stall out a little bit, wait up for the volume to come in at the NYSE open, and then once we break these lows, you should have a very nice clean move coming down. It's an 85 pip move here. So yeah, that's what we'll wait for. So 5-minute broke the highs, perfect. We want to see the 5-minute time frame start to push up. So that way we could establish a top wick for our 4-hour candle and find some sort of rejection. So we have an area right here, right? So maybe the 5-minute can reject here, and then that'll give us a lot more confirmation that we will start to continue down. And then as this 30-minute candle closes, we'll look to take our sells now below. And you should see a very nice push here after NFP. So we'll see if it could all play out the way we want it to, and if it does, we will be in there. But for now, just remain patient. How much for the elite program? $1,500. $1,500 for the 8 weeks. It's honestly a steal. Like it's a lot of work too, a lot of time I put in as well, and I do love doing it. But moving forward, it may go up because it is a lot. Nice layout, man. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Where's the TP if we get in? Right down here. So first target will be 1960, 470. This support down here on the 30-minute. And then next TP will be 1955 here. So we're looking at a really clean range. We break these lows, you got an 80 pip range here. The full target is about 137 pips. What's really cool about this situation, if it all plays out, our stops are going to be about 34 pips for 139 pips. So not too bad. We may even have smaller stops based off of the next 30-minute candle as well. So I want to see this 30-minute candle close, but close below the range. If it closes bullish, that's totally fine. I just want to see it close below. Yeah, next 30-minute candle could possibly, you know, barely even give us a top wick. So wherever that top wick is, that could be our stops. Because if we're breaking these lows, very high chance we continue down here. So stops could be even tighter. So we'll see. Just give it some time. I know some of you guys jumped into themselves early. You didn't trust the YouTube guy, but that's on you. It's all good. Hey Nick, what about a close below 170? 170. 170.05. Nah, this close right here is good. This is the support right here. So it should be good. We got the closure we needed. Now it's just, I want to see this candle come up. I want to see it close below the range, and then we will have sell stops on the break of the lows, or we may be able to get buys, right? So this candle right here really determines a lot for us. So if it closes below, it's a celery play to continue down. If it closes above, it may be a fake out back into the range to continue up. So this closure here, the candle we're looking at right now, is very, very important. Very important to us. Because this is how easily the celery play becomes a fake out. You have a candle close below. You have this candle close above, let's say, or let's say this candle close below as well. Bullish candle closing below the range. Nice steep top wick. Right? Now we take our sells in the break of the lows. The next candle should be good to continue down. So that's what we may see here. But if this candle closes back above the range, then it's a totally new story, totally different story here. Because now what we could say is, okay, we got a fake out here to possibly now continue back up with the daily direction. So that's what we have to look out for. So again, this range is huge right here, this support. Let's wait and see how this 30-minute candle closes, and then we'll have a really good read on where price wants to go. I've been on too many live streams, but I'm really comfortable here, man. The trading style is so similar, but can't execute alone due to lack of confidence. That's okay. Just keep showing up, keep coming, keep seeing us take the same exact positions day in and day out, and that'll build confidence in you to execute on those positions while you're by yourself. That's what happened for me, right? I think we all start out that way, and then as we see things over time, we will start to get more comfortable, start to get more familiar with price, and ultimately be able to execute a lot easier. Sorry. What do you think of holding a trade over the weekend? Oh my God, I'd be thinking about the trade all weekend. I wouldn't be able to enjoy my weekend. Seriously, I'd be thinking about the trade all weekend. So I don't do that. I don't hold trades overnight. I don't hold trades over the weekend. You guys will literally, I won't hold trades past the session. If I'm shutting down the stream, like yesterday, once we tapped our full take profit there, I closed it. And, you know, because I don't like to leave the stream if we're still in a trade, right? Can't do that. So, but yeah, I don't hold any trades over the weekend or overnight or into another session, like into a new day. Yeah, I don't do that. I remember I did it when I was new to trading, and I was up like $300 on a trade, and I was like, oh man, we're doing good. All of a sudden the markets closed, the spreads went up. I was down like $500 on like my probably like $1,500 account at the time. And I was like, oh boy. And then once the markets opened back up, it actually went back in my favor, and I took some nice profits on it. But yeah, it was a little scary. I don't like doing that.
Not worth it.
Some of you guys got into sells here thinking that there was gonna be no top wick or something, right? On this 4-hour candle. So now you're stuck in a trade here. You don't know if this 4-hour candle can come all the way up to 1980, 375 here, and then reject. So that's why it's never smart to just jump into positions at the candle opens like that. That was another thing I used to do. Once the candle open, I'll enter the position and just deal with the drawdown. But you don't have to do that.
I remember doing that too myself.
Yeah. Yep. What's the deal with GJ? I think GJ is gonna be the same deal here. Let's just hang tight. Let's wait for this 4-hour candle to do something, right? It still needs a bottom wick. Same thing with gold. We've never broken the highs. One thing I do like is GJ is going up and gold is starting to push down. So let's just sit tight and wait for our move.
All we can do is be patient, let our setups come to us naturally.
Yeah.
And then we'll jump on them.
Yes, sir.
3K.
Oh, did we hit 3K? Hey, yo, 3K subs, baby. All right, awesome. It's a Friday. It's a party on this Friday.
Oh.
Amazing, amazing. So yeah, looks like we're gonna be announcing a new mod today, then, chat. So we got some exciting things happening. Let's wait for 9:30 here and see if we can catch a trade, and then we will talk about the new mod and who that's gonna be and all that good stuff.
Beautiful.
How many pips did you get on the trade yesterday? I closed partials at 13 pips and closed the full position around 40 pips. 40 pips. How much did you lose before being profitable? Probably close to 30,000. Are we looking for any setup? Yeah, we're waiting for the candles to close. 30-minute candles to close here. 15 closures are coming up. Let's take a look at this. 15 highs have been broken. Beautiful. This is what we want. Perfect. So a lot of people took sells. They had stops above the 15 candle. Those stops have been annihilated at this point. Now we can continue pushing up a little bit more. But for those who had a stop here, but you guys are still moving it. I've done that too, right? But yeah, I think we're good to come down now. So let's see, did we create resistance on the 5? It looks like we're starting to create resistance on the 5. Let's let this continue to do whatever it wants to do, and we'll wait for this 30-minute closure here.
Got my ocean.
If you trade on a $10,000 account, how much could you make per month? It all depends how much you're willing to put up, you know, lot size wise. Yeah. How do you move on in psychology after taking a big loss? Hard to overcome being impatient, especially during drawdowns. I tend to close early due to stigma of that last loss. Yeah, me and Scott were talking about this yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Here's the way I look at it. Tommy. So if you're not over risking, then that loss really shouldn't damage you too much. The way losses tend to damage us is by over risking. And what happens is we take a loss and then we start having trepidation on the next trade. And what happens is when you take a big loss that you really couldn't handle in the first place, now that stays with you as you move into the next trade. And now you could have the perfect setup. You see it, you know it works, but because that stigma stays with you, you don't take the position, right? And then all of a sudden it goes in your favor and you think, man, what am I doing? And you have to understand that make sure your risk is in place. And then at that point, no one single trade should ever matter to any of you, right? Every trade is extremely important, right? Let's make sure we understand that. But the result of one single trade should not trigger your emotions. It should not bother you, and it should mean almost nothing to you, right? We took a loss yesterday, a win yesterday. Awesome, right? We took a loss 2 days before that. Awesome, right? No one trade should ever dictate your emotions. Now, and if you are profitable and you take a loss, just look a little bit deeper. Like, look at your weekly profits, look at your monthly profits, and say, hey, yeah, I did take a loss today, but look where I'm at for the month. And if you're not positive for the month, then maybe things need to change, right? Maybe you need to change some things, and you know, start to learn, hey, what am I doing wrong? What could I improve on? What adjustments can I make? And again, start off by first really making sure you can handle the risk. Because if you can't handle the losing trade, that's what's going to tear you up all day long. It's just, I lost more than I could handle. I lost more than I should have, right? So just make sure you're in a good relationship with risk and what you're risking per trade. And you know, if you take a loss, it should just be on to the next one. So.
Another thing about over risking, like you could be ahead in drawdown, but because you're over risking, you know, you could be ahead in the trade, but because you're over risking and you're in drawdown, now you have to exit out of the trade.
Yeah.
Cut your trade off because you're risking too much, but your trade was always ahead until your stops were gonna hit, right? Facts.
Yeah, that's so true. I'm glad you brought that up, because there's nothing wrong with being in drawdown. It's fine. You know, some trades, yesterday's trade, we went straight into profit, you know, but some trades you're gonna go into drawdown. And that's totally fine. It's a part of the game. But like John said, when you have too much risk on the line, now you start getting emotional in drawdown, because you're really not okay with the loss. And every trade you take beforehand, you have to make sure you're okay with that loss. And if you're not, then that's when the emotions come in during drawdown. And now you exit your trade because the 15-minute high broke and you are shitting your pants basically, and now price just starts coming down and goes into your favor. But because you couldn't handle the drawdown, you got emotional during it, and that's what makes you cut the trade, you know. So
yep, because the trade isn't a losing trade until it hits stops, right? So if you're gonna over risk, you know, and you're down 5%, over 5% now in your account in drawdown, now you got to cut your trade off when, you know, it was still ahead. You were still ahead in the trade, but you had to cut it off because of over risk.
Yeah, no, that's a good point. Good point. So hopefully that helps, Tommy. Nick, if you get 1 million, can you trade it for me? You will take the fake out on gold? I think so. Yeah, because that moves in the daily direction, right? So that we're anticipating the daily to continue up. If that happens, we did break the high already. So yeah, this candle has a lot riding on it. So we'll see what happens.
Peace, bro.
Peace, Joe. Do I know about I honestly, guys, I don't know anything about ICT. I've heard it 100 million times, but I don't know anything about it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's get a W today. Icing on the cake. Yeah. Move my stops. Uh-oh. Hey, appreciate you guys for 3,000, man. That's awesome. Really do appreciate it. I'm excited. Who's excited about that? That's a big W.
Yeah. Shout out, chat.
I appreciate that, man. Moving on. Next milestone.
The next one, yep.
I mean you, not me. Are you in any trades? No, not yet. Man sounds a mile away. Who is that? Who sounds a mile away? John? Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that.
That is weird because I've been done it with my stuff.
There is something I noticed on OBS where Hold on. For some reason, it's not recognizing my mic right now. I'm not too sure. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, they all are saying I'm far away. Far away.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'll look into it. I'll have my guy look into it. You know, my guy. I'll have my guy look into it.
It will be fixed for Monday, definitely.
Been stuck at the break-even stage for the last 2 months. I feel very positive being here. Yeah, you should. I like to call the break-even stage the light at the end of the tunnel. If you're continuing to, if you went from losing, now to break even, guess what's next for you, my friend? Profit. It's coming. Stay patient. Do I think GJ could reach 175 today? I think GJ can reach 174.712 today. Is it 30 trading days to finish the... Or no, it's 30 days in total. So that includes weekends, holidays, everything. 31 days, I think, right? They give you? 31.
I believe it's 31. Yeah.
What do you think about iced tea? Oh, it's pretty good.
Iced tea. I thought you were about to say ICT again. I'm about to lose my mind, bro.
You also got 3K on Instagram. Oh yeah, hey, if you guys aren't following me on IG, go give me a follow on IG. This is my Insta right here. Come give the boy a follow. 3,085. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I said iced tea. I don't even see that.
Nah, I don't think anyone said that. I was just kidding.
I'm about to say.
I've tried using OBS. It's confusing. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, when it comes to a lot of the techie stuff,
you're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I'm not that guy. But I'm learning. I'm improving. So
Just wait on it.
just wait on it. Hey, chat, come on. Let me get a celery play here or what?
We'll see in 6 minutes.
Green. How long were you learning from Raja before you started trading yourself? I mean, I was already trading, but yeah, I was already trading when I found Raja. But your question is, how long was I learning before I found him? Oh, learning from Raja before you started. Yeah, I was already trading. I was already trading before I met Raja. I was trading for maybe a year and a half. Man's been yelling the same thing since 6 subs. Yeah. Hey, who was with us when we had 11 people watching? Where the real ones at? I don't think you need iced tea, Nick. Well, I am a little thirsty. Oh, ICT. Yeah, I don't think I need that either. Yeah. What I hate about my trading journey is that I move my BE way too early. It gets stopped out a couple dollars. Yeah, you gotta sample size those things. You know, how much time have you you've put into the sample sizing of when to move your stop to break even. I think if you add a little bit more time into there, then should be pretty good. See, look at that. Broke the 15 high, now pushing up on the 15.
If you're gonna do anything in these markets that you're not sure of, that you don't have a strong confirmation of, you know, you gotta sample size it before, or else that's being, you know, like an amateur kind of.
Yeah,
You're just gonna
that's true.
take something you have no idea about. You know, you want to sample size it, be more professional, mature.
Yeah, and taking our trades and learning from us, there's no shame in that. This is you guys sample sizing right now. Like, for those who don't know, like, Raja did years of sample sizing for me. Don did years of sample sizing for me, and then I put in the years of sample sizing it with them over the past 2 years. So my 2 years worth of sample sizing is probably really equivalent to 6 years of sample sizing, because I was willing to take the mentorship. I was willing to listen to the guys who went before me and who were really in life where I wanted to be, and I took all their advice and I traded with them. And I got my eyes, you know, exercising these patterns month after month for the last 2 years, and hearing Don and hearing Raja explain why they're doing this, why they're doing that, why they're not doing this, why they're not doing that, what they're looking for, what the nuances, what the small details lead to, right? But you can't figure these things out if you're, you know, scrolling on social media the entire stream, or doing something completely different like playing video games, right? Lock in, gang. You want it? Lock in. It's here for you. Let's hit that 400 likes. Yeah, let's run the likes up here. I got 478 people watching. Thank you guys for coming by today. We may be able to get a GJ celery play here, and we may be able to get gold as well. So let's see what's up. Let's see what we do. Just want to say I feel blessed for this community. Trade or not, fam. We got so many W's today. Yeah, we did. I was here in the early days. Yeah, Daniel. Yup. Hey, man. You know what's so cool? That wasn't that long ago. Like, we had 11 people watching. Like, that wasn't that long ago. That was what, 3 months ago? And now we got close to 500 people watching. So it's been an amazing journey, and we are literally just getting started. Like, haven't even gotten started yet.
Hasn't even been a full year, full 6 months.
What was your turning point becoming profitable? I think what it really was getting sick and tired of being sick and tired of doing the same BS every day, not treating my capital with care, trading like an unprofessional newbie. And I knew that I had a wife, and at that time we had a daughter. Now we have a son, but at that time we just had our daughter. And I knew if I was going to be a man and provide for my family with this, then I am going to need to sharpen up. And that was all the motivation and inspiration I needed. The iced tea trading system. Yeah, that's what we do here. Iced tea. You learn to trade all by yourself? Epic. No, I learned from Raja and I learned from Don. It was a group. It was a good group of people. Right back into the range. Yep. I have a question. All right, well, let it rip. Why are there no grids in your trading view? Is there a specific reason, or you just like it like that? Yeah, I just like it like that. Yeah, I took the grids off. Yeah, I like it nice and plain. You want me to turn the background music up? All right, let's turn it up a little bit. Let's restart the whole joint. Let's restart it. All right, so looks like we have a 30-minute closure here. Let's see what's going on. So GJ is looking pretty decent for buys. Gold is gold's a bit tough. We closed right at this level here. I think I'm gonna wait on gold here for a few more minutes. Goldie, yeah, I might have to wait on gold here. But pound yen is not looking too bad. Let me just take a look here. Let's take a look. 1 hour. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have buy stops here on pound yen. 1 hour break of the highs, unless we get it before I can get to it. Yeah, because we're pretty bullish here on GJ. Let's just make sure we're all in line here. 1 sec. So GJ's daily is pretty bullish. 4 hours pretty bullish. 1 hour is bullish as well. 30-minute celery. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have buy stops on the break of these highs here. So let me just set that up. Doom, da, doom, doom. Yeah, break of the highs on GJ. The only issue with GJ is I don't really know what's to the left-hand side. So I can't really see what's going on to the left. But I do see a celery play here in line with the daily bias. And yeah. So buy stops at the break of these 1 hour highs here. Just account for spread like always. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at. So if we break that high, we should continue up. Let's go back to the music. Skip. All right. Oh, this song's about to end. That's what it is. All right, yeah, so buy stops in the break of these highs on GJ. Gold is not really looking the greatest just yet, but we should be good. All right. Let's see if we can get activated on GJ here. Yeah, it's a bummer that we can't see to the left, man. What am I paying almost $30 a month for here? Can anybody else see to the left? To the left, to the left. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. All right, so we got a little bit more information here. So 4 hour looks like this is probably our resistance on the 1 hour. Let me just see what that looks like, and let me just mark this one off as well. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. So this is gonna be the range for my trade here. So let's see what this is. About 17 pips. I'll probably close partials if we do get activated, and let the rest ride to 174, 645. Now looking at gold, let's see.
Too bad.
Let's take a look. 30-minute time frame. We did. We did close above. 1 hour still open. 4 hours still creating a top wick. Yeah, that's pretty tough. Let's see if we can get a 15-minute closure, a bearish closure here. I mean, the 30 and the 15 are pretty bullish, but 4 hour and 1 hour are very bearish. All right, we may be able to get activated here on pound yen. So for GJ, stops are going to be kept below the lows here. Back in the range about 22 pips. 22 pips. So let's see. But we got to break the high. Stop loss is going to be below the range here, below this 30-minute candle, this current 1 hour candle. Yeah, we just got to break the highs. Gold looking good. Gold looking good.
Wow, yeah, it's coming down now.
If gold's going down, GJ should be pumping up. Oh, my magic keys died in battery. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who here is in Canada? Not me. Not me. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of these 1 hour lows here. On gold as well. So we'll see if we can get activated in GJ, see if we get activated in gold here. But gold's looking pretty good. I'm just trying to find a stop loss. Stops are pretty steep at this point. Yeah, there's no stop at this point, so we're gonna need to see a new candle and stop loss here. Unless you guys are comfortable with these stops, I believe they're like 60 pips. Yeah, they're almost 80 pips, so I'm gonna need a new candle here. And let's see if we can get into GJ. All right, can we get activated? Bring us up, baby, bring us up. Price is 174, 640, 341 are the buy stops. So they're right above the break of the 1 hour high, gang. Bump, bump. Come on, gold. Give us some better stop loss. Let's go, GJ. Let's break this high here. Come on, come on. Alrighty, I've been activated here, chat. So got into some buys here on pound yen. Stops are going to be kept below the previous current 1 hour candle. TP is going to be up here for about 34 pips, and then right around this point is where I will look to go risk free. this.
Hey, chat, we did our job. It was our job to execute when we saw our setup.
Job's done.
Now we leave it up to probabilities.
Yo, now I need to get that Kobe saying that. But wait, no, that he says job's not done.
Job's not done. Job's not done.
So, I
So-
was gonna say, he said job's done. So I'll get that.
So it looks like we're risking about 19 pips for about 30 pips here. So let me just fix my stop. And let's see if we can run it up. Okay. Gold, oh man. Oh man. Yeah, we also have a 30-minute seller here on GJ as well. So not bad. Yeah, we just broke 4-hour highs, 1-hour highs, and 30-minute highs. So yeah, we should continue up here. $15-minute candle is going to close here on gold. See what happens there with that. Hey, 500 people watching. Shout out to all 500 of you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by today. I think that might be all-time viewers, right? 500?
I think we had 600.
That's 6.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
I think this next 15 is gonna be a juice.
Yeah, I think so too. I think the next 15 on GJ will pump. Now that we've broken out of this, should be ready to go. Let's see.
Gold kind of does too.
Oh yeah, I forgot, chat. It's time for that next 15-minute. What is that? 174.5. All right, chat, I'm gonna move stops to break even right here. So moving stops to break even. I'm also gonna close some partials as well. Move stops to break even, and we'll make this one a risk-free trade, and then we'll see if we can get something on gold here. So perfect. Nice little W. That was about 11 pips. So took profits at about 11 pips, and I did close 80% there because I don't know what's to the left really. I do know that we do have clean traffic on the 4-hour, but yeah, I'm just gonna close partials at 11 pips, move stops to break even, and see if we can get the rest of it to run. Yeah, the only reason I'm doing that in this situation is because I don't really know if there's anything minor in this area. I do know that there is a wick right here, but I don't know what's in between. So there you go. Beautiful. beautiful. W.
W chat.
As DJ Khaled would say,
Another one.
Another one, baby.
Other trade.
Pushing, pushing. There we go. There we go. For those that didn't go break even yet, this is a good idea to go break even. And we should continue on up. Perfect. All right, very nice. Let's take a look at gold. Gold pushing down. 15-minute candle closed. No top wick yet. Yeah, nothing we could do on gold here yet. There was just no stop loss for me. 85 pip stops. That was rough. Yeah, that was tough. Yep.
No top wick on that 15 either.
Yeah, I was thinking of it. Just the stops were just way too steep.
Yeah, like if it made a nice top wick and then flip on the 15.
Yeah, if the 15 gave us a top wick, we could have entered there, but yeah, this next 15 opened up too. No bottom wick. So let's see if we can get this one to maybe give us a bottom wick and then break the highs again and continue up to full target. But at this point for me, it's break even or TP. So BE or TP at this point on this pound yen trade here. Beautiful. Confirm socks. Yes, socks are on correctly. Absolutely. I made sure of that before the stream today. Let them cook. Yeah, let me cook. Let me just do the cooking here, chat. Vamonos. Like the stream, guys. Hey, guys, if you took this position on GJ, throw a W in the chat. Like the stream up. We'll give a quick little celebration. And a nice round of applause. And now we're pumping. We created that bottom wick here. So let me just take a look at this daily, the daily time frame here to see where we can head. Yeah, I think I'm pretty cool here. I'm gonna put another line right up here, and once we tap into this white line here at 174.645, I will close some more partials. Juicer, boys, juicer. 174.645. 174. All right, cool. I'm gonna move 645. I'm gonna move my full TP up a little bit. I'm gonna just let GJ run here today. So I want to see if we could run up to. Let's get rid of this. See if we could run up to this area. The next point in which I'll take partials will be right here, 174.645. That's the next point in which I'm taking partials. Running about 17 pips up right now. Beautiful trade, yes it was. W's, oh there's the W's. I didn't even see these guys. W's.
Salary.
Salary. Perfect. Here we go. Let's re-break these highs. Beautiful.
Yo, can we get some juice boxes in the chat?
Get some juice boxes in the chat.
Juice boxes in the chat.
Salary.
Salary. Another one.
Another one.
I caught
So-
that gold bleed.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
What'd you take it on the 15?
the 30. I had really good stuff. Not bad.
Yeah, if you were willing to lower your lots and use that as your stop, I mean, that was perfect.
Yeah, I love my lots.
Yeah.
I
I mean, it was,
W's.
it was,
W's. Bad.
yeah, dude. I mean, it was a perfect setup. It's just stops are way too big.
GTE family is just
There we go. I see the juice boxes.
Oh, we got juice boxes? Nice.
Me and Scott carrot.
Hey, Scotty boy. Yeah, 4 hours ripping here. Let's see that the 1 hour candle closes in 10 minutes, 9 minutes. If we can close below, then we should be able to catch. This is our new range now. So if we can close below here, we're into this new range and we should be able to fill the range.
Hey, good things happen when you follow your plan.
Yes, sir. Hey, we're pumping on GJ. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So the reason we took gold over GJ is very simple. Stop loss. Right? Stop loss was 19 or 17 pips in this case. And TP was about 30. So we just had a way better stop here than gold. But obviously I would have loved to take gold, but setup ain't there, what could you do? Well, the setup was there, but the entry wasn't today. Calling it a day. Happy Friday, don't overtrade. Alright, hey gang. Let's do hold on, let me do something over here. Let's see if this trade can hit this next line. Hold on. Hey, if you guys took that trade, tag me on IG. And yeah. Holy, new achievement on YouTube, 75,000 views. Would you look at that?
Just look at it.
Seriously, gang.
Jack,
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
It's not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Just freaking look at it. What the heck is that?
Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Oh, man.
that laugh is great. He's funny.
What am I doing here? Here we go. Come on, pound yen. Run it up for us. Here we go. Let's break these highs here. We break these highs. Get up here. I think I told you guys, right? I'm closing another set of partials. But pushing about 21 pips right now. Yep, 21 pips. Oh, we're almost there. 25 pips up. Can we get a one more push? One more push here. Can we get one more push? All right. I'm gonna close another half right here. at 25 pips. Right now, 27, 28. Oh, all right, closing right here, 28. So it closed another partials right there. So let's mark this trade up. Oh. Template. All right, there we go. There we go, gang. Tapping into that zone there. Perfect. Beautiful 1 hour candle here. June.
Another 9:30 trade.
Yes, sir. 9:30. 9:30 a.m. AM. 6-2, right? Yeah, 6-2. 6-2-23. And that was GJ, pound yen. Buy. Breakout. Previous. 30-minute. Full risk. Wow. What happened here? Oh, there we go.
Pushing.
Pushing. All right, so let me just see what we did there. We did. So it was 12 pips. 12. I just closed another half up here at 27. So yeah, what do we got left? Yeah, I'm gonna just hang on to this. I got a small runner going, and we'll leave it at 27. If we do hit full TP, we'll change it. But we'll just leave it at 27 and W. Beautiful.
Another one.
Another one. So we'll see if we hit full TP. That was the full TP, but I think we can get up here. So that's why I closed another partials there, and we're just gonna let it run now. Just let it run. Let it rip, tater chip. Let me see something. Oh yeah. Appreciate you, Green. Yeah, nice push there on pound yen. Let me see something. Can we push up? That was pretty much target right there. Pretty much target. Sir, I need your Excel sheet. Yeah, you can go to the Discord. It's in the Discord. You can grab it there. I'm off, bro. Thanks. All right, Jamie. Later. Nick, what a trade, bro. Good stuff. Thank you, bro. Oh, we got a new candle open here. Let's do something here. Hold on, chat. I'm just trying to do something here real quick. Doom, doom, doom. All right, let's take a look at how gold closed. Okay, cool. So we did close below here on gold. We may be able to get more positions. I want to see a top wick here, and then once we break the lows, we should have a nice move down here. So let's see what happens. About a 30 pip stop at this point. Uh-oh, GJ coming back down. Yeah, I'm glad I closed up more here. Yeah, give this 1 hour candle a few minutes to do its thing here. Yeah, let it do its thing. This is probably a perfect top wick right here. I believe it's like 32 pips. 35, creeping up there. I'm still in. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm still holding some runners here.
TT's on fire, boy.
Fire.
We on fire, boy. Tell your mama.
We milking. Milking monkey.
Okay, let's see. We got a top wick here. We break these lows, so we got probably gonna go half risk here. We break these lows, we should come down, fill this wick, and continue down to this support level here. Sorry, gang. I got so many people texting me today. All right, let's see. Gold, yeah, gold. All right, let me adjust something. All right, so I'm looking at gold here. We may be able to get some gold sells. We do have a closure below. We have a top wick formed. It tapped right into the zone that it left. So that's pretty good. Now if we break this low here, we shouldn't have any problem continuing down. This wick fill is about 13 pips as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have some sell stops here. So sell stops on the break of the lows. Those are going to be at 1963, 1963.050.
Taking off the current lows.
Yeah, the break of the current candle lows, yup. 19. TP is gonna be. Current lows, gang. Current lows. Sell stops. TP 1950. And then stops are going to be up here at 1967.057. All right, perfect. Maybe we can get activated here. We'll see. We will see. We will see. Sell stops. You mean pending orders? Yeah. Yep. Yep. And what we'll do is we'll go. So this wick fill, I believe, is about 13 pips. Yeah, like 12, 13, or yeah, like no, 10 pips. 10 pips. So probably look to go break even at the wick fill. May end up not closing partials until we get down into these levels. But yeah, I'll probably go risk free once we break the low, and once we break the low, it should just drive from there. So we'll see if we can get activated. All right. So 3,000 subs, man. Appreciate you guys. Round of applause. Amazing job. And now we move on to 5,000.
Signal about to eat.
Yeah. Doo-dum. All right, can we get activated? Still in GJ buys here. Thank you for typing the signal channel. Yes, you're welcome. 5K by the end of June, if not before. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, for sure. All right, we may if we don't get activated in about 10 minutes, we'll delete these and then we'll wait for a 30 minutes or 30-minute salary play. Oh, I know what I gotta do here. That's right. Forgot about that. All right. Ba-na-na. Come on, can we get activated? All right. Okay, chat. Let's see who can spam the chat so we can see who our newest mod is. So we got a new mod here today. And let's hit the spam button and let's hit some W's for the GJ trade and let's see who the new mod is. Is it you? Is it you? Is it you? We will only know if you type in the chat. You will only know if you type into the chat. Oh, 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 I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. Yeah. Yo, juice boxes. Oh, I don't see it. I don't see it.
Juice boxes are hitting.
Oh man. Oh man. Uh-oh, we might have to take the mod away. Uh-oh. We got a new mod, but I don't see him.
Where's he at?
Hey,
Throw up the yap emojis.
There it is. Hey, yo, W's. WW.
Chat going crazy.
New mod here, Austin. We appreciate you here at Time to Eat. Well deserved. Helping the community out, putting in the work in, being a team player, giving us words of wisdom every day, taking trades, learning. Come on, man. It don't get better than that. Let's go. New wrench. Shout out to Austin, man.
Shout out Austin.
Thank you for your service, bro, to our community. Just the beginning, my friend.
Shout out Austin.
Yeah.
Oh, we got
Well
there.
deserved, well
15.
We got motion. Yeah, I'm going to delete these and wait for the 15. So I'm going to delete these sell stops and wait for the 15 minute in one minute. So we may have a 15-minute celery play and then we'll re-add them. But yeah, man, shout out to the new mods here today.
Shout out Austin. Stop.
Congrats, bro. Appreciate you big time, my man.
Yep.
So let's wait for this 15 to close and then I will reopen up these sell stops. Because we don't want to get activated in the last minute. Right?
Definitely.
Right?
Ain't it happened for us in the past? You know?
Yep. So be quick to re-add them because this thing may drop once the candle opens. Alright, that's the perfect top wick we need. Sell stops are back in play. Stops are going to be above this candle, above the previous 15-minute candle, and then yeah, we'll look to manage risk as we continue down. Oh, so giving us a nice top wick right now, and if we don't get activated in another 10 minutes, we'll wait for a 30-minute seller. Let's go. Wrenched out, baby. Atta boy. Atta boy.
Suits him well. Looks good on him.
Yes, sir.
Oh, definitely.
Man, that wrench, that does look good on you, bro.
Looks good on him.
That wrench does look good on you.
Does.
Beautiful. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, almost. All right, I've been activated into sells here, so got into some sells on gold, and stops are going to be up here. Take profit's going to be down here. We've broken the lows. Now let's see if we can continue down.
Yo, Sam, your story is so funny with all the juice boxes. Bro, that's
Jason.
that is so good.
Alright, see what happens.
All right, now we just let it play out. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick.
Dude, I gotta find like a whole bunch of old clips of me just saying juicer, juicer, bleeder, bleeder, bleeder. From like a year ago. Yo, you guys are really so funny. You'll see like me like from like a year ago. I'll probably look all scuffed up.
Yeah, I want to see those for sure.
Dude, some of my old trades are so funny, dude. I smell it.
Yeah, I smell it. You guys smelling it? Sam and Uncle Scott, you smelling it?
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, I smell it.
No, it's it.
It's coming, alright.
All right. All right, pushing here.
Nick made a call to Wells Fargo.
Yeah. I'm gonna move my stops. Move my stops to this current candle now that we're breaking that low. And we should be good to continue down now. Let me move stops here.
Oh, I got stopped with the.
You went B?
Yeah.
Nice. Looks like there's a lot of volume in this candle. We broke these lows. I got my stops above these current highs now. Now that we broke the lows, yeah, I put them above that current one. We shouldn't break that high if we want to continue down. If we break the high, we may continue up, but we should not break that high if we want to continue down here. Hey, I'm still in GJ too.
You saw runners?
Yeah, I still got runners in here.
That's crazy.
Let's get rid of this. Let me see here. Where we at, chat? Where we at? Wrenched, baby, wrenched. Do, 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 do. Oh. Gold TP. Gold TP is going to be down here at 1955, 135 here. 1955, 135. Yeah, I want to see this thing continue. I don't want to see it break the high here. If we break the high, it's most likely going to push up. But if we respect that high, we should continue down. Got clean traffic here, so. Does market close in 6 hours? I think so. Let's take a look at the daily candle. 6 hours and 37 minutes. Yep. What do we got here? What do we got? When you blow an account, do you put more money in it or start a new account? Usually just, I guess put more money in it. Do you set TP1? Yeah, so 1960 right around these areas is where I want to probably go break even and close up some partials. All right, I'm gonna go break even at this point here, now that we've rebroken the low, and we should be good to continue down. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna close some partials here, chat. It's been a nice little trade. I think we can continue down, but I'm gonna close 80% here at 17 pips. Yeah, perfect. And we should continue downtown. Downtown we go. W. Move my stops to break even, but before I forget.
Where were your stops, you know, before?
Originally stops were up here. And then I moved my stops down here once we broke this low. And then I just moved my stops to break even now. So what was that? What did we say? 17, right? So 17, let's mark that up. W's, chat. W management, W trade, W waiting. W's all around.
What a day for TTA.
Beautiful. Signals chat should be at break even as well, and this should continue down here. What a day. We got a new overlay, we got a Friday, we got a new mod, we got 2 wins. Come on, baby, what more can you ask for? We got 3,000 subs, doing this stuff in front of 500 plus people every day. What do you say? What do we say to something like that, Sam? What do we say?
Another one.
Another one, baby.
Another one.
Another one. Let's get it. Let's move this. Let's mark this up. New mod for a new win.
Twice, two W's on the trades.
Oh yeah, you gotta
Maybe
hit
even hit it 3 times.
2 W's today.
2
Maybe hit it
W's.
4 times for 3,000 subs.
2 W's on a Friday. Like,
Let's go.
Hey chat, spam the chat with W's real quick.
Let's go.
Spam it up. Let's make another
I'm
one.
trying to see this chat quake.
Quake.
For Friday.
Hold on, let me make a little video here. Let me make a little IG video. Spam it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one too. Get another.
Let's see. Oh. Hey, yo. All right. WWW.
Yeah, we got dogs.
You got in the video.
Chat going crazy.
Chat going crazy on a Friday. All right, babe. Now we could drive down to Delray. You ready? Huh? Yeah. Really? All right. Praise the Lord. Yeah, we're gonna get going pretty soon. All right. Let's go, chat. Big W's, man. What a day. Hey, I'm still running in gold, and I'm still running in GJ here too. Yo, I didn't notice. I got it was maybe one pip. Yeah, this is break even. Damn, chat. We got runners today.
Little runners. Pack runners.
But what did we do, right? We came here, it's another day, right? Another day, we had NFP. A lot of you guys are in super hype in the chat. And listen, every day is just another day to follow price action, to follow our plan, and to be disciplined, man. I mean, we say it all the time, but man, this is how trading is done. This is how it's done, gang. So let's get rid of all this because chart looked a little sloppy. So you guys see how we had that closure below, right? On the 30-minute time frame. Closures below. Beautiful top wick. Beautiful 15-minute celery play. And that was it. Let's mark that one up. Hey, yo. Can we survive? Can we survive? What is this? New 5? Oh, can we survive the new 5? Come on, gold. Don't do me dirty. I want runners. Anyway, let's mark this up. June. Oh, still in. GJ's holding strong. So what time was that, gang? 10? 10, right?
10, 20?
No, 10:15.
Oh yeah.
New 15-minute candle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I guess we got activated, what, like 10:20? So yeah. Ooh, let's go. Looks like these runners are gonna survive.
Well, I think you're all right, 10, 15.
Yeah, 6-2, 23. All right, 5-minute flipping again here. Perfect. Gold, sell, breakout, celery. Hey, someone asked about the 15-minute today. There's a 15-minute. Come on, are we gonna survive that or what? And then we'll see if we survive, if we get any runners, but as of right now, it's 17. Oh, stop that breaking. All right, so 17 pips, not bad. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, I had a feeling that we should. So there's another area right here. If you guys notice, see this area right here that we wicked into a few times. So that's why I wanted to close partials there. And look at that, we wicked down and that was it. And now we're going back up. But still holding strong on GJ. 30-minute celery or what? Yeah, this seems to be the top. This was our original target anyway. But I'm just hanging on for the hell of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, all in all, good day. A lot of good lessons, a lot of good conversation, a lot of good waiting. Right, we got to see NFP here today. Had news come out. Oh, that's what it is. The new 30-minute candle. Yeah, so we're done here. We're done here. And yeah. That's it. Uh-oh, GJ. It's coming to get me. Yo, if we respect this low.
How about being disciplined?
Yeah, man. Discipline today. Bruce Buffer came in and it was a wrap.
True. That boy Bruce.
That boy Brucey.
Showed out.
All right, so W, man, beautiful. So let's update the stream as well. I'm joining this live trading. Hey, nice. What happened?
I said 2 days, 3 W's, June.
Yeah, man.
We're really off to the races.
We really set the tone, huh?
I told y'all, man, we had to get that L out of the way in the last day of May, so we can go on a run. But yeah, May was good. May was a good month. So let me just fix some things up here. Beautiful. Let me go into, we'll update the monthly record. So 3. Alright, so 3 wins, no losses, no break even, and then let me do this. What are we sitting at? 3.7. 3.8. Perfect. Good stuff. Good stuff, everyone. Great work.
Friday.
And now we can enjoy our weekend.
Good thing I ain't sleeping too long.
Yeah, man. Oh, we're surviving G. Hey, I never got stopped on this. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, how did I not get stopped? That, it literally hit my line.
We got run it for like an hour.
Oh, let me stretch this out. Nah, I just missed the line. That's crazy. It's only a small position anyways.
Look. Lao Yen. He's first week of June up almost 5%.
Oh yeah, good work. Oh wait, what happened here? OBS.
Next week will be good too. I'm pretty sure CPI will be next week. Should have some more news.
Why didn't this?
Looking forward to Monday.
Never mind.
Oh yeah.
Now chat, what people in chat should be doing this weekend is not going out, not having fun. You should be sitting in the house and you should be watching your stream that we took this week.
Don't do anything.
Let's say when you come,
Yes.
you know, on live next week, you know, a lot of your questions are probably going to be answered.
Yeah.
Oh, let me just fix this. Monthly percentage gain. All right, cool. And then I guess we could update the yearly record, right? So 53, 54, 55. Win rate. 55 win. Oh, 555. No, 55. All right, beautiful. Cool, man. Am I gonna get stopped out here or what? Still surviving. Still surviving. Come on. Push back up. Oh, okay, that's it. Stopped. All right. All right, gang. Yeah, I think we're good. Have a blessed weekend. Yeah. Pips pay my bills. Yep. Love and blessing squad. Yep. Yep. I think we're good to go.
Yeah. I think we are.
Yeah. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. So gang, for Monday night, we're probably not going to do a Monday night call this week or next week coming up, because I'm gonna be away this weekend. So we will continue those calls on next Monday. And what we're going to be diving into is a little bit of wealth, a little bit about what God says about wealth, about what the Bible says about wealth and money and how to handle it. And it's good, it's bad, it's all in between. So we're going to see what God has to say about money next Monday and how we should be handling it. And that will be in the War Room section. So the link to that will always be in the War Room. Yeah, the War Room up here. Where is it? War Room. Yeah, so come visit us next week, next Monday, not this Monday coming up, but next Monday. And come listen to what the Creator has to say about money. All right. Other than that, appreciate you guys. Green, love you, bro. John, Sam, Uncle Scalp, all the mods, Scott, the Red FX, Anthony, the newest mod, Mr. Austin, TTE Austin. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for coming in today. Appreciate everyone that stopped by the stream today. Like and sub to the channel on the way out. And like Sam would say, I'm gone. All right, y'all. Hey, have a great weekend, man. I'll see you guys on Monday. Sounds good, boys. Later, gang. Later, chat. Peace. And I'm gone. And we gone. Glory to the Father.